I don't think.
No, or um, yeah, we'll have to figure something
Yeah,
out.
yeah. I don't think so. I'm not sure. Oh shoot! Dang it, Sherman. We tapped into it. We tapped into it. Hey, and they came
I'm already
back.
wrong, baby.
We are. We tapped into it though. Hold on. Hopefully, it's not no fake out though.
No,
Not
I
no
don't think so.
fake
I think they're
out.
gonna try to retest that high at least.
I think they're gonna take profit here first, but it's dangerous because we in this zone. We in the supply zone right now. But I think they would. I mean, maybe that was the profit take, but I think they got a little bit more profit taken. Right? Right? I said I was gonna go long here. I said it.
Go long, dude. Go,
I said it, but I wanted a better entry, bro.
dude. And shit, the last 2 days didn't teach you something. It didn't teach you.
You ain't learned your lesson. I did. I missed out on a couple opportunities because I wanted a better entry. Let's
Keep the
see.
drawdown, baby. That's what it's for, baby. That's what it's for. That's what it's for.
Uh, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Can we talk about? I know you just told me, and I know you're excited, but you want to talk about that game plan that played out? Those of y'all that missed the NA meeting.
I missed the NA meeting, dude. Them game plans is undefeated at the moment, dude. Undefeated. But we'll wait until more people get into the stream.
Yeah, yeah.
I only want to say it once.
Yeah, yeah. They need to see.
Yeah, them game plans has been undefeated.
Undefeated. Yeah, yeah. Let them. All right. So okay, so I shorted, and it hit my limit where I said I wanted to get long at, and bounced. So
I'm surprised you went short.
I
mean, yeah, the market's going down, but
I took $190. I think they got to sell it off first for us to go back up. Like you said, got to go down to go back up, baby. Maybe they want 865. Maybe. I don't know. But it's this bullish environment. Like, that pre-market stuff, it was no joke. London took it to the moon.
Mm-mm.
To the moon and back.
Guys over there in London was like, nah, we ain't missing this.
Yeah.
So they ain't going to change the date. They ain't going to change the time. They're not going to change it. Okay. That's fine. We're going to make our money during our session. Make them wake up during our session.
Yeah, I know,
right? Make them get up early.
Make them wake up. Yeah. Sacrifice they sleep. Boy, I tell you, hey, I didn't take the pre-market trade last night. I was watching it, looking at it, and I was just like, let me chill. Let me put my mind on something else. And yeah, I'm wishing that I would have hopped in long because I saw it. I saw it getting ready to like try to play out. But I decided to stay out. Decided to stay out of it.
Yep. For those that missed the NA meeting, those are the ones that showed up to the NA meeting last night. Oh, they got this move. They got this game plan. As soon as the market opened, price was exactly where I figured it was going to be at. The game plan went play by play. Reached the target and everything. For those that joined the Discord last night, got the blueprint last night. This move was detailed, shown, posted, recorded. For those that showed up, got this move. I got this move, baby. I ain't going to call nothing and I ain't going to take it. I'm already up on the day. I can just sit back and relax and chill out, but you know me. I'm going to keep on trading, baby. But honestly, I wonder if we just did hit major supply because I'm on the 2000 tick. This is looking like a head and shoulder pattern. Like it looking like a mean head and shoulders.
Yeah, I just kind of gave up. I mean, we hit VWAP and I could have took that. I was thinking about taking that, but I didn't know if it was gonna. I don't know if it's ready to go beyond VWAP just yet. We'll see. I'm long here at 8.99, but I shorted I shorted 8.95 and got 10 points to 8.85. So
I mean, like I think right now they're testing the top of this range right here.
yeah, this should be demand up here. Should be. We should be in this demand zone. Let me take a gander at
Let's see what they do at a
higher time frame. Okay.
The Bulls come in at 880.
This might go down to like, it could go down to the 860s though. 860s, 850s potentially. But we gonna trade this chart.
Not our heart, baby.
Not my heart.
We gonna trade these charts, not the heart.
Let's see. But I do think they're gonna climb this back up, man. It's just taking profit right now. Alfred think we get to a 18K NQ on a Friday. Happy Friday.
Honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I did think about this last night. Or this morning when I looked at this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we touched the top of this. We touched the top of this. Okay. So yeah, I did think about this last night. That might have been some high. That might have been.
Well, let's measure it out and see how much drawdown I could take here. Measure it out. 72 all the way down to that's 100. That's almost 100 points, man. To the downside, we not. Yeah, we ain't going back no further, man. Bye. I'm
I'm already in.
Get me in there, baby. Get me back in there, baby. I should have longed down here.
Oh snap! Well, I did see Take Profit. Like Take Profit right now is the cheapest prop firm at the moment.
I got a blue sky eval last night. I might trade that. These are the Apex though. These are the Apexes. And I got my Take Profit Pro accounts, funded accounts ready to trade. I activated them last night when I was thinking about hopping in pre-market, but I was like, I don't want to make a mistake and blow. If I blow my freaking, because we got the live trail and drawdown I got to deal with. Like, I don't want to make that mistake in the pre-market, but because then I'll be feeling like a straight up tool. Yeah, a fool. Blowing my stuff and I just got it.
Yeah, but that trailing drawdown, man, that shit's crucial, man. That is crucial.
It's a tough thing to conquer. Once you conquer it though, straight.
I mean, they had to do something though. They didn't want to take away their win, but it seems like I think they might permanently do away with their activation fee. It's gonna get to the point to where, man, you can just go to a prop firm, pay the upfront fee, and that's it, because they're competing to the point to where they're cutting into their bottom line. Take Profits already took away the damn what's it called, the assignment fee.
Yeah,
it's gonna get to the point to where everybody's gonna have to take away their assignment fee just to compete.
Yeah,
I mean, they'll keep their loyal customer base, but I mean, we love the loyal customers, but at the same time, we will also want to grow. So it's like, so what do? You got to find like a compromise in between that.
Mm-hmm. And
usually you got to take it to the chin just to entice. Because I mean, shoot, that assignment fee, that actually enticing me. I said I would never do business with Take Profit. They took away that execution bullcrap thing.
Yeah,
now they took away the assignment fee.
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead, finish your thought, man.
No, I'm about to say that execution mess was some trash. Super trash.
I've never done business with them. Never done business with them because of that. But now, all right, now y'all took away the assignment fee. Y'all took away the 50 execution rule. Hopefully, they didn't try to add nothing in the background to try to replace that. And yeah, we can do business now. Take profit trading. We can do business.
We can do business now. Nah, yeah. The only thing they talk about now is just that trail and drawdown into you, but we already know about that. It's a little sneaky. They tell you after you get funded, like, yeah, they send you an email that probably nobody checks. yeah, we have this live trail and drawdown, so be careful.
Oh, that's 360. Oh. So I'm looking at their 150K account. I'm trying to do the math. I mean, with Top Step, you got that extra day. I mean, but you can go on Rhythmic and set it up the same way, though.
It's discounted right now, too, though.
Yeah, it is.
It's discounted.
No, I was talking about the, the trailing drawdown hit, and then give you the next chance the next day.
Oh, yeah. The daily loss limit
on Top Step. Rhythmic, though. Yeah.
Yeah, if you trade on Rhythmic, you could set your limits. You can't set it on freaking Tradeovate, though. That sucks.
Oh, you can't?
I don't think you can. Nor on a regular personal account you can. You go to like, is it preferences or like somewhere in here? Security. I think it's under preferences on a personal account, but you can set limits for yourself, lock yourself out after a certain profit, certain loss, all that, baby. Be a responsible trader. Dang.
So you save.
I'm sorry, go.
Dude, I'm surprised you're not in this yet. Dude.
I am in this. I've been in this.
Oh, okay.
I'm in 2, but okay. I wanted a third entry at 866. I wanted me to tap in there and launch rocket ship, baby.
I mean, we could probably get like a third entry right here.
Man, you just gonna play with my break even like that?
Yeah, I'm at break even too. But yeah, I mean, so you don't have to worry about the scaling plan either. So it's like you save $84 if you take the take profit trader route versus Top Step. You save $84, but then you don't have to worry about a scaling plan, and you don't have to worry about having to trade for 5 days to take profit.
Right,
as long as you hit that threshold.
Yeah. So
there's a lot to think about.
You get access to your full port off rip. The only thing, like you said, is that trail and drawdown. So you got to be kind of careful and mindful. You got to be mindful of your own P&L, basically, in the beginning, until you build up enough cushion to thwart the enemy, known as live trail and drawdown.
If they take away that live trail and drawdown, take profit was definitely elevate and prop firm. Yeah. I think it's not even in the top 5, in my opinion. I guess there's really not a bunch of prop firms to even go in, but in the futures prop firm game, obviously it'll be Apex, Top Step, depending on who you care about.
Yeah.
They can be interchangeable between 1 and 2, but who will be a third one? I guess take profit trader has no choice because there's really no other competition. I mean, these other prop firms are just copying Apex, so there's just Apex 2.0. It's not like the original or nothing.
Apex clones. I mean, we got my funded futures. People heard some good stuff about that. They've been paying out and stuff. And we got Blue Sky, but Blue Sky, they need to do some work on their account sizes, because you don't get access to you only go up to 100K accounts, and you can't have multiple 100K accounts. You can have multiple accounts on anything on Blue Sky under the 100K, but I asked them, I was like, that's stupid, but I'm like, that's dumb, but I'm gonna try for your 100K account anyway, but that's dumb to me.
Yeah. It definitely is. And then you got the micros with take profit as well. So, I mean, there's really no excuse. You can kind of start off with the micros versus the mini until you build up that cushion. and to lessen the risk a little bit. But
Yeah.
but then they have that consistency rule up front as well, and then they have like what you got to trade how many days with take profit? 8 days?
5.
5 days?
Blue sky is 8 days.
If it's more than 2 or 3 days, I mean, aside from Apex, I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I mean, Apex is Apex, man.
Apex need to
They
keep
can get
that.
away with some shit.
They need to keep that 1 day pass going. That's what I was waiting for real.
Yeah, they do.
Because they'll throw that out there just on a whim. You got to be ready. Oh yeah, 1 day pass.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, January was crazy with that. Cause I was gonna add some more, but then I'm like, do I want to do it now? Do I want to jump on it now, or since they got the 80%, maybe they'll throw in a 1 day and they'll include you. I don't know.
Yeah,
we'll see.
You know what? The way this is looking, I want to see how price reacts around. I want to say 30, but I think this can reach at least up to 40. I don't think we're touching 72. I think today is a down day. Today's gonna be a down day.
Whoa.
We tapped into some. First is uncharted territory, but the way that it got whacked down the way it did,
yeah,
that's looking like some heavy supply, man. That's heavy supply.
Yeah. So
price always makes that head and shoulders pattern. So what?
I mean, we could get there we could get back near there. 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe. And yeah. Dang.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. We got to see how it reacts. We just map it out as we go along, baby. Map it out. We got this strong here, and then we got that wick. When we see long, huge wicks like that, that is something to worry about. It is something to worry about. And now we
big wicks. That's aggressive selling.
Yeah, we struggling right now with VWAP. I think I'm going to put some. I hate to do it because okay,
nah.
well,
nope, we gotta pop open. I mean, okay, so technically, I think this right here is support now. I mean, we might get a fall back down to test out 15 to 21. And honestly, I might actually go in for a third contract if we get a strong close. You know what, man? Man, pumping, man. I'm about to. As soon as this candle closes, I'm going in. I'm getting in, scaling in right here at 13. I'm gonna test these highs at 25-ish.
Man, okay. Do I dare get in? So I got this take profit account, but I don't.
Dude, okay, so this is what I would suggest. The move already happened.
Yeah.
The move happened already. Today is Friday. You don't want to go into the weekend and draw down and what is their accounts called? Well, in their funded accounts, we just call them all funded accounts.
Yeah.
You don't want to go into the weekend with a possible loss in the funded account. And the win ain't really worth it. We can start them a week off fresh next week.
Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, but we all know what we trade, baby. We all know what we trade. We see some momentum, and it's like, nah, I gotta get a piece of this. I gotta take that hit.
You know what? We trade? I just logged out of. You're right. I just logged out of it. We'll start this up Monday. We'll start take profit up Monday. You're right. I don't want to, because that does tend to happen. I get all over anxious, overzealous, do something stupid, and then bam, I'm out. I mean, I don't like what I'm seeing here right now. How they just hovering VWAP like this.
I mean, technically right now, VWAP is exactly where there's some supply. It's not heavy supply, but you can see if you look to the left is where Bears took. They took it down for another leg. So technically, we're down 1, 2, and that was the third leg down. So we'll see. We will see. See if they try to take it down again. Yeah. If I was really paying attention, I should have got in at that 70 level if I was really paying attention. Yeah, this is going up. I'm confident now.
So, yeah, we got this.
Yeah, so I'm thinking we can at least probably test 930. Because, I mean, well, I would, yeah, 930-ish.
950 got a lot of heat. Up here, yeah, just above got a lot of heat too. Like in the 20s and 15s, teens and 20s. Dang, they're gonna
yeah, the value area is at 61, so yeah, that makes sense. No, don't let it fake you out. We already planned for this. We already said that they was gonna come in and do this and bring it back to the 21 and the 50. We already planned for this, baby. We ain't did nothing we ain't planned for. Look at that. Look at that. We knew she was gonna do that.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm out of it because I had my trail place.
It's all right, baby. You can find another entry in it.
Yeah, I ain't tripping. It's Friday. I ain't trying to be reckless today.
Free Cash Friday, baby. Free Cash Friday.
Get this Blue Sky account though. Let's see what I could do with that. The drawdown.
Yeah, today's a good day to just test the trade like an account that you don't necessarily have any emotional attachment to it. You can just have fun with the position, learn from it.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Yeah. Friday, baby.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't even have my charts up. I feel ill prepared right now. Okay. So, I mean, so we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. NDCL doing what she does.
Dang,
trying to outperform the NQ. Trying to outperform. Did this just happen? Yo, did this just happen?
I was looking at CL at like 76 something. I was like, man, should I long this? They gonna take it to like 78, 79. But no, I kept my focus on my one toxic true love.
I do want to point something out. We got CPI next week, and crude oil is running higher. I wonder if there's a correlation right there. I wonder if that's something, if this is foreshadowing something that we should be mindful of. Possibly a hot CPI report. Why the hell is crude running? I mean, people can blame it on the possible war out there, but I mean, when is that not happening? So, could this be indication of something else?
Yeah. I'm light today, guys. I'm light. I wanted this entry down here at 886 or 866. Excuse me, but I don't want that anymore. I don't want it anymore. You can just continue going. We could go to 18 if you like. If you like, baby. Only if you like. That's one con. We get to 18. That would be, this is just hopium. Just only $1,900 if we get to 18 on one con for me.
Yeah.
I re-entered long at 903.
I mean, that was a good entry because I didn't think that it was going to get past the 15 to 21 EMA. I mean, we've seen this. NQ, we know your tricks, baby. We know your tricks, girl. We know how you move.
She stay Stay doing okay. Yeah, we got to see how it reacts up here in the
I'm thinking 30.
25s. Yeah,
I mean, yeah, 25 is probably good too, but I'm
25,
thinking probably
30.
30.
Because I'm looking over here at the 1,000 tick. We got a little bit of. There was some buybacks there, 20s and stuff before it started dropping. So yeah, let's see.
But let's talk about something that we said earlier this month. We was joking about it, but look how true it turned out. Remember we was like, I'm pretty sure they was putting all that negative energy out there, talking about, oh, the Fed may not cut it. They're not going to do this. We're still looking at data, blah, 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 just to get the investors to sell, to use their stops and run the market higher.
Yeah.
Look at what this don't look like they not about to cut the damn rates in March.
I know, right?
It don't look like they put the cut the rates in March.
Exactly.
It looks like they scared the investors to use their stops to move this market higher. The market doesn't move without you. We appreciate your liquidity.
Exactly. This looked like Powell said, yeah, we're definitely 100% sure. We're cutting rates. We're super confident. We're going to cut rates at the next meeting. Yeah.
That was a secret FOMC meeting that the elites go to. So I was like, yeah, that's the crowd. That's their FOMC meeting. So what's the real deal? Yeah, we cutting rates. You know I got you. You know I got you. I'm pumping Powell, baby.
That the elites go to.
Powell. Let them sell out of their positions and FOMO right back into it. You know I got you, baby.
You know I got you. I got you.
Right and that secret FOMC meeting.
Secret elite meeting. Secret elites. The only people like what's her Pelosi's invited to that type of elite. That type of elite. She's like, oh, okay, so I can plan my Nvidia trade. Oh, okay.
You say you got that Nvidia position. You got the 411 on that. But you know I got you. You know I got you. Shit, we can do this together. I'm about to buy out of the money calls. Yo, Nvidia was how much when she made that damn position? Like in the 500s or something?
Yeah.
5? Nvidia's like at what, 700 right now or something? Where's Nvidia at? Let me look at it.
Nvidia 707.
Dude, Pelosi she don't miss. She don't miss.
She don't play around. Yeah. F around. Inverse Pelosi if you want. You gonna find out.
Yeah, that's the definition of fuck around and find out. That's the original. Don't inverse the Pelosi. Don't inverse the Pelosi. Don't inverse. Go with her. Man, you talking about, yo, that's crazy. But you know she's going to keep doing it. And that's when she buy, I'm buying too. We buying. When Pelosi buy, we buy, baby.
We buying. It's not a she, it's a we. We buying.
We buying, baby. Oh, you bought this strike? Yeah, that looks like a good strike. And I'm taking a second look at it. Yeah, I'm buying too. We buying, baby. So we hit that 30 target. I got my first target filled. Honestly, I should just take the second target. I got it at 39. 30. I should just take it. Yesterday, I ain't gonna lie, man. Yesterday really pissed me off. So if y'all didn't catch the NA meeting, y'all didn't catch it. I talked about this position that I was in off stream. And when I tell you that this bitch NQ was literally 2 ticks away from hitting my targets and then having that big dump, she did exactly that. Exactly. I guess I could have took the profits, but you know, when you see something like that, you kind of get mad, and like I did, went complete on tilt and tried to scale in, trying to get my money back. But I was going to hit my $4,500 target, reaching the maximum daily profit on my new Top Step eval that I just got yesterday. And she did that to me. And then to make matters worse, as soon as I'm talking about, I got hit on daily loss limit exactly at that count. As soon as she touched it, as soon as she went down, I hit daily loss limit, got locked out of the account, and then she reversed. And I was like, dude, what the hell? Like, I've never Well, let me say never. It's been a while that I was that angry. The NQ can bring those types of emotions out of you. I was super angry, super on tilt. Almost bought another eval just to revenge it, but I was like, no, let me just calm down. Let me relax. I got to take this in. I got to take it in. I should have took the profits when I had them. I shouldn't let myself get into that much drawdown. I know I went on tilt, but hey, I mean, it happens, man. She should have took my damn target. It was right there. She should have took it. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm all out. I'm about to get out of this one right now.
I'm
about to
out.
get out of this one.
I'm out too. I just got hit.
I'm about to get out of this one.
I'm
about to get out of this one.
My trail just got
$2,500. So I'm up $5K for the day, baby, already.
My
$5K today.
My trail got hit, baby. My trail. Oh, what did we say? 950s before another supply. Yeah, dude.
Hey, where them fair value gaps at, baby?
Dude.
Hey, where them hindsight fair value gaps at, baby? Where they at? We foresight traders over here, baby. Foresight. We don't need no fair value gap. We just look at the charts. That's all we do. We look at the charts. And the NQ say, you know what? I'm going to go here today. I'm going to go right here. All right, baby. I'm going to get in right here. I'm going to get in long. I see what you're doing. We don't need no fair value gaps. We don't need that. Yeah. Tell them, baby. Say, we don't need no fair value gaps. We foresight trade over here, baby.
So, J Powell, if you see it should be on screen right now. Go to the settings. It's just a stop. Click on stop type, and then you can select trailing. Trailing stop, baby. So whatever, if you're in profit on either side, it don't matter. Whenever you click and set your limit, it'll trail it. It'll trail price wherever you put it at. Like y'all just saw me trail for about, what I have it at, 25, 30. It trailed to like 15 points. So yeah.
Great trade, man. Great trade. No fair value gaps around here, baby. We look at the chart.
Yeah. Cool trade. It was light though. Of course I wish I was heavier, but I want to play around today with all that. I want to play around with that. Oh wow, I'm up 1,200. Didn't even know it. Like on how many trades? I'm just on 4 trades, $12 in commissions. How efficient is he? He's him. He's efficient. Now I just need to add some size into that. Turn that 1,200 to 12K.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Hey, I mean, all we gotta do is just keep doing what we're doing and just add size. Like, all we gotta do is take the same trade. The only thing we gotta change is just keep adding size to it, baby. That's all we have to do. Keep adding size.
Whoa! Look at
that.
I'm sorry. I'm going to interrupt you. Look at Bookmap. Look what he just did. 18,350. 18,350. Look at that heat. Look at the heat at 18,350. No way. Look at 18,350.
18,350. Oh, okay.
On the right.
Hold on, you said 18?
18,350. And look at 18,000. Yo.
I'm looking at the old. Hold on. Okay, my bad.
Yo.
I was like, what the hell? I was like, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at his Bookmap.
Okay, I was on the wrong one. My bad. Yo, that's crazy.
Yo,
that's crazy.
We could do it, yo.
Yo, I will hop in my XFA. I will hop in the XFA if we get to do today. I doubt. I mean, no, they wouldn't get there today.
Nah, yeah. That's crazy.
Too big of a move.
I wouldn't believe it. I would not believe. I mean, I think we get to 18, but not 350. Not today. They got orders there though. You saw that. They got orders there. Sheesh. That's crazy. Like you got your orders all the way up there? You know something. The elites know. That's gain weight.
Oh, they know.
That's gain weights targets up there. That's where he's scaling out. That's not even his final. It's not even his final form.
Yo, good thing. Yo, okay, hold on. We gotta say this. Yo, we got out at the right target. We got out. I think our X is getting good, baby. That's the only thing we have to work on is our X's for real. We can get in this damn thing.
We just said, because we just said maybe the 50. What did I say? 40s, 50s, maybe 60. 60 would be like pushing the limits.
Yeah. Okay, so we got out of a good spot. I was like, man, nah, I'm not playing this stupid game. After what she did to me yesterday.
Yeah.
Too bad, I'm back here today. Still talking to her. I love her though. That's why she does that shit.
Not talking to your side PCL.
Even though CL would have paid. CL paying right now on the long side. Yo, I sent Smith the screenshot. Man, I gave him straight game. Straight game in that CL chat. But everybody was short, so nobody didn't want to hear it. Nobody didn't want to hear it. Now they probably looking back like, oh, damn, that guy was right. Damn right I was right.
Where is he? We need him again. He's the CL Oracle. The Oracle of CL. The Oracle of CL.
We need his guidance. We need his wisdom. But no, like I straight gave him game. Like everybody was like, "Dude, it's going to 72." I was like, "Bro, relax. This is going up." Like I understand it's bearish right now, but this is going up. But nobody didn't want to hear that. Nobody didn't want to hear it.
You buy when they taking it down. Once at least when you think they getting exhausted, that's the best strategy. In my opinion, if they got a huge sell-off, rapid, I'm talking just 20 points in 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 50 points in 5 minutes, that type of quickness, then just wait till they get exhausted. You can tell when they start getting exhausted. You can see it.
Yeah.
You just gotta,
you know what? I like them. Oh, my bad, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say you just gotta control your own emotions and not hop in too heavy prematurely. But you could tell. You see when they start getting exhausted.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I saw that shit last night too. And I was like, man, when I was in that trade off stream, I was like, man, they're trying to take it to 32. Man, they're trying to take it here. I was like, damn, can I survive that? And I was like, yeah, I can survive. But no, I didn't.
Alfred.
I didn't survive. I was just lying to myself.
Alfred, hey, tell them they better not copy me. They better not copy me. They gonna be in for a rude awakening. They don't got my wrist top. Yo, I've been through the NQ trenches. The trenches, baby. I've survived the NQ trenches. They don't got my type of risk tolerance. You saw me down 8K the other day. Stone Cold Killer, baby. You saw me. They don't got this type of thought process that the NQ done gave me over the years.
Yo, the NQ will have you in a PTSD. Like, dude, you can go to the VA and be like, yeah, I got PTSD. Don't tell them for what, but you'll have all the signs.
Yeah.
You'll have all the signs.
All the signs and symptoms of real PTSD traded NQ.
She breaks something into you to be like, man, you know what, man? If she stopped me out, man. But it's just so good not to take the trade, man. It feels too good not to take the trade because of the possibilities, baby.
Hey, y'all bet not copy me if you want to. You gonna find out the hard way. Shoot, especially with. Shoot, you saw the 8K. I'm sitting here chilling. I'm like, hey, everybody, relax. I had to tell them, full port, baby, relax. We got this. I saw the heat up there. Once I saw that heat, I'm like, okay, yeah, they want to take profit up there. We hitting, what was it? I don't even remember the level now. We done. It was probably 800 or something. I don't know, but yeah. Mess around if you want to. But I'm just sitting there staring like, yeah, okay. See, I'm I'm going over it in my head like, Is she faking out? Is she playing with me right now, or is she serious? See, that's how I got to know. Like, is she serious or is she playing around with me right now? She just playing with my emotions, teasing me, or is she really serious? Like, oh, get the piss out of your position.
I mean, it's not like the NQ don't give you like multiple chances to get out of your position.
She does.
It's not like she don't.
She does, doesn't she? She will give you chance. Man, I think I had what? I think the record for me has been like what, 5, maybe 6 chances to get out, and I didn't take it and found out. Yo, because when she come back, when she creep back up over your break even, you're like, okay, you start getting the hope. The hope comes back.
Yeah, we can win this, baby. We can win it.
Yeah. Like, okay, we got this. You coming back? And then she dropped. Next thing you know, she dropped. She down 15 points for your break even, just like that. How did?
And then yeah. She loves that too. She was like, "Let me give him hope.
Yeah.
Let me give him that hope back.
Yeah.
Let me do like it'd be strong moves too. Like, where did that strong move come from? Why?
Yeah.
Because she's doing it on purpose.
Yeah.
It's actually looking like the drop actually right here.
Yeah. 6 chances. Let's see I think that's my record. Oh, I'm sorry, sure. Go ahead.
Oh, no. I was just looking at the charts. I was like, this might actually be the drop. It's looking like the reversal pattern.
We might have support
pattern right here.
Might have support down here at 25 or the 20s, 20 to 25. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm thinking more closer to like the 910, 905-ish.
Yeah, because then if they get to 20, they might as well take it to VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP, yeah.
Yeah, because it's right there. Yeah. And there may be, there's support.
And then that's literally as support.
Yeah. Yep. I see it now. I was thinking just because of where we were. Oh, let's see. Yeah, there's support down here. Right here. Oh, man. Man, yeah. I can't, Abundance, I cannot sing. You are tripping. My voice be cracking.
Nah, he sounds like Say when she sings, man. When he was singing it the other day, I was like, damn, is that her? Got that angelic voice. Serenading the string.
Serenade. Hey, that's just me. That's keeping myself calm in the position. I start singing.
Hey, that's you keeping yourself calm. And that's music of the angels to us when we listen to it.
Got a copyright strike. Man, let me check that stream yesterday. The day before. I gotta check it and make sure I ain't get no copyrights.
Yeah, we detected some copyrighted music playing on your stream. Yeah, that's funny. All right, NQ. What are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? I know the Bears hungry right now. They're trying to take it down. They're trying to take this down. What are they trying to do? Is the Bulls too strong? But obviously, these are the late Bears, or not the late Bears, the late Bulls that fumbled out of their positions. Listening to Powell of all people when they know his nickname is Pumping Powell. It's not Dumping Powell, it's Pumping Powell. So you know when he talks, you know you're not supposed to sell nothing. You're supposed to buy more. It only dumps when he gets done talking. When Powell's done talking, that's when it dumps. But when he talks, it pumps.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Yeah, I might be done with these Apexes today. I'm going to keep it light on Friday. 1200, I'll stick with that. Unless a pristine opportunity presents itself. It's got to be pristine, baby. I'm talking about maybe like a major dump or a major pump. But yeah.
Let's look at this real quick. Actually, I'm doing this wrong.
I should have took that. I don't know why I hesitated. Yeah, but we said I'm gonna come back Monday and trade the take profit, so I ain't tripping. I do got the take profit funded accounts, but I have not traded it yet. I'm gonna save that for Monday. like Sherm suggested. Because every time when I don't listen, and I always end up losing. Because I'm trying to, my mind wants to get to the bread quickly, but I'm like, man, just take your time. You don't even have to rush nothing. You start to rush things, that's when you start making silly mistakes.
Yeah, that is definitely true.
But
that is definitely true.
Blue Sky, I mean, it's all the same to me. I haven't made it to the funded side yet, so I can't speak on that. But this is the Blue Sky account. I took the same trade essentially right here. I got the 100K account. I took the same trade, and yeah, $700 on that. I trailed it, did the same exact moves, basically.
I mean, let's see if this can get back up to. Okay, so I'm thinking there's going to probably be resistance. If price gets to 957, 956, we may see a rejection there. But if this continues to go up higher, this could possibly. Yo, if it gets to 988, that would be crazy. Oh, I mean, it wouldn't be crazy, but what a move. What a move.
The people want 18. They want 18. The people have spoken.
Watch it gets to damn 988 or something like that, or close to it.
Yeah. I'll let you know how it is once I make it to the funded side. Hopefully, if I don't mess around and fail this thing, but I don't think, if I just chill and take my time, I think I should be straight. But yeah, this is the Blue Sky account right here. $700 so far. I mean, it is what it is. It ain't. I only went in with one lot. Dang, they look like they want to test the 60s and possibly break highs. Possibly.
Yeah, we'll see what happens around here.
Let's put that back over there.
We'll see if the Bulls keep pushing it. Let me see. This is why. Yeah, I ain't trying to be a bear no time soon because these bears don't know how to act anymore. At all, no more. They don't even know how to be bears no more.
They don't know how to be. They're forced. They turned into bull. The bears are forced into bulls right now.
Yep.
Either you gonna buy the cover, or you gonna buy and join the ride. Get along for the ride, or you gonna be buying the cover. Using your stops as liquidity, baby, to the next train station, next space station.
I saw this video on Instagram. If you didn't believe that they don't use your stops, that fake, what is it called? That breakout, fake out. Man, there's a video of a someone is making a claim that they're institutional traders. Mm-hmm. And this was like an old video, so it's not like he's an influencer. This was back in the day, like in the 90s. Anyway, the point is, he was explaining that I have a big position size, and I need liquidity to get out of my position. And he was explaining how can I do that? By making sellers become buyers, so I can get out of my position for maximum profit.
Yeah.
And I was sitting there, I was like, dude, I mean, we know this, but when an institutional trader comes out and says this and confirms it, it's like, okay, no matter how we feel about it, whether we want to believe it or not, this is how these people trade, man. They need us. That's the only reason why we're allowed to play this game is because they need somebody on the other side of their trade. That's it.
Yep.
They need somebody on the other side of their trade.
I need that. That liquidity, I need that.
The market thanks you for your liquidity. We can't move without you.
Yeah, I mean, can you imagine? That makes sense. You imagine having 200 contracts on. You're not going to get out like all at once. All of that's not going to hit at once. You need people. Nope. You got to have someone else on the other side. Yeah. On the other side of your orders so you can get your profit, unless he's like slowly scaling out bit by bit. Mm-hmm. But that liquidity, I need that. Thank you. The market thanks you.
For your liquidity. So, I mean,
Muhammad, you missed out yesterday, bro. Muhammad's back. Everybody.
The market maker is back.
The market maker.
Our market maker is back.
Yes, you missed out. You would have been proud yesterday, Muhammad. I held, baby. We held.
If
You was in it with me. I think we got
new to the stream.
Yeah. I was about to say, I think we got out around the same time too. But yeah.
For those new to the stream, Muhammad is our assigned market maker. You don't get one of those unless you're a real trader.
He's been assigned to us. Okay.
Assigned to us.
He's the market maker. He decides when we pump and dump.
Like, who are these guys giving away game? We'll assign one of our best. Mohammed, watch them. Make sure they're not doing too much over there.
Yeah, make sure they're not giving away all the secrets. We're going to have to send the elites after them. Can you imagine having someone get sent after you for... Oh, shoot. Oh, hey, Jack. Thanks for hopping in, bro. Safe trip.
But yeah, definitely. I think it's only 9:20. I don't think. Obviously we're trending up. This is a strong move up. The Bulls is not giving this up. I think the market has gotten to the point to where it doesn't even care what Powell says because we all know he pumps it. If anybody comes out with bad news, they're going to just say bump it because every time bad news come out, the market pumps. And you can only lose so much money before you just say bump it and just buy anyway.
Yep.
And I think that's what's happening because it's like, dude, nothing's changed, but the market is just climbing up. It's almost nonstop, and we're almost at 18K, which is crazy. We started at 16K. We started at 16K, now we're almost at 18K. That's so crazy.
Yeah, let me check the monthly on TradingView here. Let me check the monthly chart and see.
It's probably like a big...
Yep. Right, just
a big dildo candle, dude.
Yep. That's crazy. Dang. And it's only, the crazy thing is, it's only 700 points though. But it's, I can't even, okay. And then the previous one was 200 points. The previous month.
Mm-hmm.
Month before that, 1,000 points. So we had December was 1,038. January, the month of January, 218 points. So it looks like we had ups and downs and stuff, and we finished out 218 points. This month so far, we're up 700 points on the month.
Mm-hmm. This is why we trade the NQ, baby. We don't look at anything else. Except CEO sometimes. Yes. I mean, I'll probably look at ES. I think ES, if I were to start trading ES or like to set limits, it'll just probably be easy money in my opinion. Because has ES even touched their all-time highs yet?
Oh yeah. Yeah, ES got to 5,043 today. That's their new all-time
finally
high.
Touched its all-time high.
Oh, did SPY?
How many times?
SPX over 5,000. I forgot about SPY, baby. Was SPY? I gotta check if SPY was over 500 now.
Of course, I gotta log in. Of course.
Oh, they playing with SPY. SPY didn't get to over 500 just yet. 499. The high was 499.79. They know that's psychological. They are playing around with SPY right now. But
yep.
SPX got over 5,000. SPX, baby. SPX.
Dang, it's right there, dude. They might as well just touch it. They're at 99.45. You might as well just touch it.
Just touch it.
Tap into it.
Just tap it, baby.
Tap into it. Let's look
Might
at
as
the
well,
look at the flow for SPY today. Look at the flow. I mean, remember those blocks when they were selling puts? Remember that?
Yeah.
And I think they were selling them at 97. So right now they're like $2 in the money right now. on their put positions,
Mm.
collecting all that sweet premium. Yeah, all I see is, I mean, right now it's mixed. It's not like all the flow is going in one direction, but they are still selling puts. They are buying calls. I mean, you do got a few people selling calls, but that might be a hedge probably. I mean, they're still, oh, well, yeah, SPY ain't never getting no force. Oh no, this must be like a multi-leg position then, because
Yeah.
they're
Damn.
selling calls at 469 for some reason. I don't know why they would do that. Why they would sell calls that low?
At 469?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know why. I mean, unless they figure that this is going down, and that by the time these expires, price would be underneath 469.
Hmm.
Damn, that'll be a drop.
I'm about to say that's about to get assigned.
That's a drop.
Them
shares. Look at this
shares.
again. Let me look at this.
Them shares about to get assigned, baby. Unless it's a part of us.
Oh, okay. This expires 3/20/2024, right around the time when the meeting is. He's betting that the market is going to drop. I mean, well, if he bought them right now,
They're probably
as long
cheap.
as they drop,
Yeah, they're
cheap right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he bought them right now. He's expecting price to be around that strike price around March 22nd. Hopefully, he doesn't have to get assigned those shares because that would suck. But shoot, you getting assigned shares and pricing, yo, that's crazy. And price is all the way up there. That's crazy. But anyway, if price goes higher, yeah, that would suck. But
yeah, 469, 469.
It goes down. But hold on now, 469. So that's like what, a 30-point drop? Yeah, that's a 30-point drop. A 30-point drop in SPY. Can we get that in less than a month?
Oh, I don't. Well, unless we got that flash dump like we had the Wednesday that shall not be mentioned.
Name, yeah.
That shall not be named.
All that bullish euphoria.
Yeah.
Just for hit the dump.
Yeah. 300-point dump. 350 points, I think. Yeah. That was wild. That was something to be a part of.
Mm-hmm. Yep. We're not going to talk about the actions that happen afterwards either.
Oh shoot.
But yeah, so I mean, I am seeing people buy puts, and they got them all the way out until 419. And well, I mean, these aren't that bad. These are 496 puts. So as long as these go down, he's profitable. But if the market continues to go up, I mean, he does have all the way until actually April. I apologize, April until these expire. So he has time on these. He has time on those.
Dang, bro, Muhammad was long from 880. Shoot, we was down there with you, my guy. I was down there with you. I just didn't.
You didn't trust it.
I didn't. Yeah.
You didn't trust the chart.
I didn't fully trust it.
I mean, right now, I've only left. Right now, my position only left 10 points on the table. Right now, my price is technically only left 10 points.
Yeah,
it's not bad. Not bad. Unless it goes up higher, then it's like, God damn, I left 20 points on the damn table.
Yeah.
But let's see what it does at 76. Let's see what price does at 76. If it continues, dude, like I said, if it gets to 988, dude, that's crazy.
Yep. I don't want to miss no trade though on this, but
I mean, dude, it's too high to buy, man. This is for the people that stay strong in their position.
Yeah.
That stay strong. They didn't get wicked out.
They getting rewarded right now. Yeah.
They definitely are. I mean, if you're trying to get into this with the least amount of drawdown, the only good position to take would be at 950, 945, 950. But if price gets down there, I mean, that's still a risky trade. That's a hell of a risky trade. And if you break those lows at the bottom of 930, then I think this goes down. I think this goes down at that point. Because I'm trying to figure out. I mean, if we go down that low, if that's a big of a retracement, there's really no price action to the left. We kind of just trended up, and trending is not price action. It's just price trending up, and there's nothing but stops underneath all those swing lows. Or I'm sorry, those swing highs. So if price hits those, then all them stops gonna get ran, and we're gonna probably run all the way back down to 850 possibly. Or if it's strong support at 9 or at 8, basically 900. If there's strong support at 900, then I guess the bulls can come back there. But we'll see. But I'm thinking right now, I think the market is probably going to exhaust here at this high.
Yeah, at least for right now. I could see that. But we just gotta see what happens, baby. Gotta see and react.
You go.
Yup. See it and react.
Gotta see it right now. I doubt it though. The EMAs are all sloped up to the upside. The EMAs aren't consolidated. So right now we're still in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend. I would need to see a break of that uptrend, or I need to see some exhaustion, and that's just the buyers failing to take it higher. The buyers failing to take it higher. If they fail to do that, and they create that reversal pattern, then I know that okay, now the bear is about to come up and show out.
Show up, show out, show up, show out. Show themselves.
Come in and show up.
Well, we'll see. Maybe not. I mean, it's Friday though, baby. It might come in the later session. We might get that the later half of the day, if we, depending on where we get a sell-off, if it happens. So if, let's say hypotheticals, we get a sell-off up here. They take it down. Let's just say they take it back down to 895 or whatever, or 860, whatever, right? All hypothetical. Then that would usually take about, I don't know, an hour, maybe hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and then they buy it, they buy it back up, and then maybe they launch to 18. But I don't know if we got. Do we got the time? It's all about timing too. The time in the day. Do we have enough time in the day for that to happen?
Shoot. Sometimes it don't even matter about that. It's just about the damn momentum.
Yeah.
Right now, everybody's FOMO into this damn thing. They're just trying to get a position in. Like, we're tired of missing these moves. We're tired of missing these moves on the Nasdaq. We just want to get in this damn thing.
Yeah. I'm like I said, I'm probably done in this account right now. I want to keep it light. It's Friday anyway. I know I missed out on some points, but I'm all right with that. A win's a win, baby. Hey, 1200 ain't no. It might be chump change to some, but if y'all saw that on the street, you pick it up in a heartbeat, like we talked about. So hey, I'm waiting. I don't know why, but I want to wait. I'm kind of with you, waiting on the short opportunity. Me personally, I feel like it's too high to buy, but we said that in the past before, and it wasn't too high to buy. So we'll see.
We don't say is it too high to buy. Is it too high to FOMO into?
Is it too high to FOMO into? Yeah. Do you dare FOMO into all-time highs right now, only to get suckered out of it?
The HQ continues to make all-time highs. That's why we trader, baby. We like people that like to move forward and grow. Say, nah, our old all-time highs ain't good enough. We moving past that.
Dang, look at that. Yep.
Yo, she's about to touch 88. Yo, that's crazy, dude. She's about to touch 88. She's, man.
Uncharted territory.
Uncharted. Yeah, I was thinking it's this short ain't
it might not even happen. It might not even happen.
So you can see that heat. They're trying to take profit at 90. I mean, dude, if we get to 18K, we get to 18K. But man, as an investor or an intraday investor, I mean, if you're swinging your personal account, I mean, these moves really don't mean nothing until it hits your target.
Yeah.
But if you're an intraday investor, yeah, these moves right here, they get scary when it keeps going up like this.
Like my boy gained weight. He's salivating right now. Like, yeah, I told y'all. I told you. I told you.
Wait, hold on. Where is his original position? Because we was talking about it, right?
We were talking.
Where were we when he was talking about?
Man, I don't remember. I think I want to say he's long from like the 16s, maybe the 15s. Because he trades it. You could do that with your own personal capital. You could do that.
Must be nice.
As long as you got the capital to back it up to cover that margin, that overnight margin and all that. Shoot. Because it does change. Margin requirements do change in the overnight, in the pre-market session.
Definitely does. I wish they did the same. I've already told you the story. I'm in my little micro account, and they allowed me to carry a position over into the damn weekend.
Oh, yeah. Dang. Look at this chart, though, man. Golly, I should have believed. I believed yesterday, but I should have believed today. You gotta believe.
It ain't meeting.
Gotta be. Yeah, should have showed up, bro. Man, God, this ticks me off so bad because I literally saw the London move. I saw it at like 1 o'clock. I was like, man, I should set up a position here. Let's get it right where my limit is now. I was like, man, I should do it, but I stayed out of it. I stayed out. And the crazy thing is, I didn't even get any rest. I'm still tired. Over here. Oh. 18. Oh, are they gonna do them dirty though and stop just short like 96, 97 and then dump like they did the other day? What was it when we were trying to get to 900? Oh, that would be dirty. That would be dirty. 18,350 still. 18,350, baby.
Dude, yo, if we touch 18 and we keep going, man, I'm getting back in, baby. I'm getting back in.
2% from here. Yo, that's not even. If that's 2% from where we are now, that's possible then. That's possible. Hey, that's possible. If it's, I mean, if it was the right condition, you know, everything got to be right. But because right now we're only up 112 on the 112, you know, obviously it's fluctuating. 115 right now on the day. And that's only a 0.64% move. That's not even a 1% move. We're not even at 1% move on the day yet. And normally what I've seen on these daily moves be given like, what's a good example? What do we have? So Wednesday, we had a 1% move Wednesday.
I just want to get more of that. Just want to get more of that.
What was it? Last Friday, we had on February 2nd, we had a 1.7% move, and that was 296 points. 296 points. No. And, well, you talking about 2.6? That's possible. We've had 3% moves. We've had it. I'm trying to find one so I can be like, yeah, we've had it. I've seen a 3% move where we were up like 350 points on the day or something like that. 360. I'm trying to find one here. I don't know if it's been recent. Yeah, that we've had it in the past, but that might not happen. Yeah, I don't know. I don't
All
know.
right, man. Let's see if this is the turn right here. Let's see. Let's see if this might be the turn right here. Yo, if this gets shorted because they've hit that 88. Well, I was like, damn, that's so crazy. They hit it. I think that's like the 200, 300% on my damn chart. Let's see what they do here, man. See what they do. They usually turn it at 300%.
I stand corrected. Yeah, I'll admit when I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I don't know about that. Because all I see is like 2% moves. I'm looking back in time to see if I could find a good. Or
Yeah,
like,
I mean the market's not even allowed to move that far. Like it will hold before it does that.
I see like less than 2%, like close to 2% moves, but less than.
Yeah, just imagine the person that has a market maker algorithm allowing the market to move in an unexpected range with the most powerful people in the world right now. Well, let me rephrase that. People in powerful positions, money like that. Yeah, you'll find yourself in a ditch somewhere. Digging your own ditch and putting yourself in that damn thing.
I want to
You
see.
want to move the market more than 2% with my money?
I want to see the NQ
With
get
my money
halted.
It's not halted. Remember that it was on one of them CPI releases where the market was just going down and down because I think it was the start of this whole inflation thing. And then we got some good news on the CPI. It limited up. It froze. It literally froze. This is back when we was still trading Apex. I remember that day because I thought I was going to blow my damn account. I was like, damn, I'm heavy. This is why I remember it because it was like, man, I was like one more day to pass it. This is when I was struggling passing these prop firm evals. And I was like, dang, how did I fuck myself over like this again? And I was defeated. And then the news came out and the market just limit up. It shot up. Price just stopped. I didn't care. My target got hit. I got my PA account. And I was like, yeah, baby, yeah. Remember, and then when I got into that PA account, I went short at the 50 EMA and lost it. I'll never forget that too. No price action, no nothing. Oh, the 50 EMA's right there. Let me just go short.
That's PTSD right there. He remembers it vividly. He remembers it vividly.
Oh, I remember that day. I ain't gonna never forget that.
That's that PTSD, that VA PTSD.
I need to go on there.
You better go claim that. Yeah, you better go claim that.
Like, so did you get this? Yeah, I was trading when I was in the service. I was trading.
You better go claim that.
I was on duty. Yeah, that's funny. But yeah, my first Apex PA account, I blew that damn thing. I didn't really understand because it was like my first time. Well, obviously, my first time getting to that side. We blew so many damn Apex accounts when we first started.
Yeah.
And when I finally got over that hump and blew it because I went 6 contracts, trailing drawdown, 50 EMA. Like, yeah, baby, pre-market.
Pre-market too? Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm still imagining myself looking at the screen, seeing price get there and going short for no damn reason. Because of 50 EMA.
Oh, there's a 50 EMA. Let me just throw on the short. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that was funny.
We got a last I saw.
I mean, obviously back then. Oh, you said what?
I'm just replying to the comments, the chat. Last I talking about Bitcoin shot up to 49K. Last I checked this morning, it was at like 47. Like, dang, that was quick.
That's another indication right there, dude. You believe all these people lying to y'all about the inflation is easing and everything's okay. You got oil running back up. You got Bitcoin running back up. They threw out a Bitcoin ETF. Why the hell you think that they threw out a Bitcoin ETF out of nowhere for? I mean, before that, you couldn't get these banks to even mention Bitcoin. Talk about, yeah, that's not a good investment. Look at how these banks made y'all fumble the bag with Bitcoin, and they got investment in Bitcoin themselves. Talk about, that's not a good investment, blah, 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 blah,
yeah.
blah. And they got it good and cheap, and they hold it.
Oh,
So
that's
you
why
gotta think. He said what?
they said CPI was revised. Yeah, because they be doing their revisions, and that's probably the reason for this. If CPI, let me see then. What was the numbers then?
Hold on, was CPI this week? I thought it was next week.
They probably talking about the last CPI that was revised.
Okay,
Probably
I
for
see
the
the
better.
news. Okay, I see it now. You see, don't let these people lie to y'all. Tell y'all get out of these positions, making y'all feel like the market's gonna do one thing and they turn around and do another.
Yeah.
How they gonna randomly come out and revise the damn report? Why'd y'all get it wrong the first time? That's my question. Why y'all get it wrong the first time?
They always do, man. They always do. How many have we blown? Shoot, too many to count.
Yeah, too many, dude.
Too many to count.
Too many.
You see, this is
Too many.
this indication. Y'all can't see it, but I'm on the 35th PA account. Well, let me see. Actually, I think it's more than that. 39 PA accounts that I've had with Apex.
Yeah.
And that's just Apex. That's just Apex.
Yep. So when y'all see us now, everything we tell y'all, we are not financial advisors. We are two dudes trading in our hoodies that love to trade. And y'all just tuning into that.
Love the game, baby. For the love of the game.
Yeah. You love the game, man. We talk about experience, man. We blown too many accounts, man. We got the experience, baby. Blown them accounts. But once we started finding stability, I mean, obviously you still hit daily loss on it sometimes. They'll blow the account sometimes.
That's what I was telling Alfred. He said, because a lot of people who say they tune in to copy people's trades. I'm like, shoot, you mess around and do that if you want to. This is veteran level. Like, no, what they call it? What's the Call of Duty ranks?
Yeah.
The
like
different
like that?
No, the different difficulty levels.
Yeah, I don't know.
Whatever it is. We don't have the most high difficulty with the NQ. Like I've been through it. I've wanted to give up. I've wanted to give up. That one feeling. Yeah. There's a lot of war stories on the NQ there. There's a lot of war stories. But I survived the trenches and I'm still here, baby. Still here.
Still here, baby.
You only fail when you give up. You only fail when you give up. And I was like, that's not in me. I'm like, why did this even cross my mind? That ain't in me. We don't quit around here. I agree with you. We don't quit. Got no quit in me.
Yeah, that reminds me. Remember when we both did the same thing? I did it one day, you did it the next day when UProfit was actually good, and they dropped their what was that shit called? The Freedom account that they dropped.
Yeah.
And we blew it on the last day for like no reason.
Yeah.
Like you talk about self-sabotage.
Oh yeah. I'm glad you brought that up.
Self-sabotage is a mother.
Self-sabotage is real. That is a real thing. That is real. Cause we did that we had no reason. I blew literally when I was trading UProfit back then. I blew my account on the last eval day. I was already passing. No, all I had to do was take one trade in the day and just let it lock in. And I was like, no, I'm gonna just trade it like I'm already funded. And when I tell you I hit that loss limit, I was like, what did I just do? Like, why did I do that? I still to this day, I mean, the only reason is self-sabotage. I'm like, why did I do that? I had no reason to do that. Blowing it on the last freaking day. Yeah, I didn't need it. I was already passed.
No, that's one of the excuses.
That's one of the excuses, yeah. That's one of the excuses.
Yeah, you talking about we've been through it, man. And this is obviously when we started back in 2020, 2021? One of them years.
Yeah, one of them.
We got into this prop firm game. Yeah, prop firm. I mean, I've taken some money back. I think I'm probably like $5K up on UProfit because, man, I know I gave him a lot of money. I gave UProfit a lot of money. But my problem is my exit. I've always had a problem never taking profits. I just want my target. I want to be right. Me being right is more important than taking profits, because I feel like if I took profits, that means I was wrong. And that is really not acceptable to me. That's not acceptable to me.
What? And that sounds crazy too, by the way. That does sound crazy. You gotta take them
like
profits.
No.
It don't necessarily
like
mean you're wrong. It just means you're protecting. You gotta look at it from a different perspective. You're protecting your capital. You're protecting your gains.
I mean, I'm getting better at that. I'm getting better at it because how I see this game, like, obviously the profits are nice. I enjoy the fact that these prop firms, if you go at them in the right way, technically this is a business. It is a business. Like, you literally is a business. You're literally sitting in front of a computer, making decisions, and based off your decisions, you're growing your balance. And you're elevating into the funded account, and you're doing the same thing. Mm-hmm. That is the best part of these prop firms. But me, I don't necessarily see them like that. I see them as something to do, like a hobby.
Yeah, I was gonna say, let's not lie. Apex is the casino. Apex is the casino. Let's be real.
We gamble. It's the casino.
I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to be more pro in Apex, but it brings out that casino feel out of you. Yeah, that gambler comes out. So I can't. Most of the time, I can't even take Apex serious.
No, I like, dude. I mean, we use, like, back in the day, we would use. Oh, I guess Smith kind of still do. I stopped doing business with Apex in terms of taking them seriously, because it's like, dude, I just can't. Like, I get an Apex and I'll full port, and it's like for no reason. Like, what am I full porting for? I'm a 30 contract. It was like, damn, I hope all my contracts get hit. No market structure. I don't look at nothing. I'm just like, yo, I'm just throwing on 30 contracts and seeing what happens. Yeah, that's how I get it.
You were on stream a few weeks ago saying, yeah, I'm in 30 cons on that 300K account. You was shocking.
Like, next thing I know,
you shocking all the people and all the risk managers in the chat. Like, whoa, 30 contract. This man is wild.
Hey, I got the 20K that day.
What you did? You did. You made 20K
on it.
Oh shoot! Oh, that's
got the 20K and blew it. As soon as it came, that was because of that trailing drawdown. Like, yeah. I mean, Apex is nice, dude. It's nice in terms of it kind of teaches you that you have to take your profits.
Yeah.
You know, I don't like taking profits, so me and Apex don't mix.
Yeah. It does. It will force that out of you. Take them dang profits.
Yeah. See, my goal is I want to understand. I don't want to necessarily. I mean, gambling is fun, but I prefer to understand why the market is doing something. Let me rephrase that, because you really can't understand it. I just want to have an understanding of where the market can get to. And if the market could get there, then I want to put a target there and be right about it. That's how I kind of see the market.
Yeah.
And that's why it's my profits my target over them profits. Because, it's like I said, it's a hobby. It's not, I'm taking it seriously now. But it's a hobby, man. I enjoy, because I have a more engineering mindset. My thing is figuring problems out. Not necessarily doing the work. Like, if someone says, hey, I got a problem, my mind is already naturally focused on solving problems. That's why small things will usually throw me off. Like, if someone asks me to do something simple, my initial thought is there like a trick here? Because I'm looking at it, it's like, it's not complicated. So what's your problem, dude? I want these hard tests. Like, I want to help me or tell me to figure something that's complicated out. Because that's how my mind naturally is. Mm. And with the markets, the small tasks, like, dude, it's too easy. Like, man, like, all I got to do is put my target at support or put my limit at support and then put my target at resistance and I make money. And like my mind, like, that completely throws my mind off, because it's like, dude, what's the catch?
Yeah.
What's the catch? Is there like what's that dude that used to get that dude pumped? Ashton Kutcher.
Yeah.
Is he gonna pop out one day and be like, "Yeah, you got pumped"? Yeah, like that's like exactly where my mind goes.
Am I
But
getting
it's too
punked?
simple.
Am I getting
So
punked
I'll
right now?
overcomplicate it and
Yeah.
self-sabotage because that's just how my mind is. It's just how it is.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
I think
Exactly.
she does the same thing over and over again, man. She does the same thing. My mind is just accepting that now. That's that that part of my mind that doesn't like simple tasks. It's accepting that she just does the same shit all. All I gotta do is just say, okay, yeah, she's going here, she's going there, she's gonna do this, she's gonna do that.
Yeah.
She does the same thing in different ways. Let's just say that she does the same thing in different ways.
Yep. Yep. Man, and it sucks because I'm over here itching. For some reason, I'm looking for something short. I'm itching for it too, but I don't. I could have already took it up here, but I was like, it's not moving fast. You know the. Oh shoot.
I mean, dude, it hit the 400% on my chart. It is sitting. Oh, actually, that's I'm looking at the wrong thing. It's hovering in between the 300% and the 382. The EMAs right now are flattening out, so this could be the start. What I'm thinking is that the Bears is going to probably come back in here at, or not Bears, the Bulls, possibly around 975, maybe. Take it up a little bit to probably rebalance 990 possibly and go down, or this could be the dump right here. But I do see their support at 950, so it might be some resistance there or support there at 950. So let's see if this plays out. All right, so here comes the Bulls coming in right here. Let's see if they take it back up to 990 or possibly see if it dumps. But the EMAs are flattening out, so that means momentum is dying down. It is dying down here.
Hmm?
All right, let's see if they do it. So here come the Bulls. They bought it right at that level where I thought they was going to. She does the same shit, but does it differently. Let's see. Let's see if they try to rebalance 990, 995-ish. And let's see if the Bears come in and they take this damn thing down. Oh shit, I got a text from Muhammad. He told me to shut the hell up.
Oh shoot.
He said, "This is your market maker. And you're going too far."
Hey, calm that down. You need to calm down.
Ah.
You need to calm down. I just got a text from Muhammad. It says, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. Oh, shoot. That was funny. What is it, 10 o'clock? Do we have any let's see. Oh, shoot.
We can move that.
18. Congrats, y'all, for 18. 18. 18.
Yo, that is crazy, dude.
18.
Who would have thought 18K? 18,000. Yeah.
18. Gained weight over there, smiling right now. He over there. He's like, yeah, we ate today. My position's not done. I got 1,000 more points. Or no. What was his call out? He wanted 19,999 or something right before 20K.
20K on the NQ.
It's crazy. Because remember when it was just at 9K? Who remembers that? 10K?
Yeah. Yo, if you went into the forums, man, them bears was crying. Man, they were crying during that time, man.
Yeah. Yep.
And shit, you know I was a bear before, so it was a bear-only forum. You don't hear your bull cases around here. You don't hear your bull cases. Get out of here. We don't want to hear that.
It's a
bears over here, baby.
Bear-only forum.
Bear-only forum, baby. We having a bear party. You seen that bear meme? With the bears all having like the party near the pool party?
Yeah.
After that big dump. Like, yeah, bears eat. And the bulls crying?
Yeah.
Nah.
They done reversed it.
No, all the bears are homeless now. Asking the bulls. The bulls looking down the bears and saying, you peasants. Throwing a quarter in their cup. I'm no longer a part of that bear forum anymore.
I'm no longer a part of that anymore. No longer a part of that crew.
Like, dude, it gets to the point to where you stop reading because they be making shit up. But, well, we got FOMC next week. Okay. It's always the next thing.
But.
Yo, we definitely dropping CPR. We definitely dropping. All right, guys. Okay. Y'all can continue to lose y'all money.
Hey,
I know when to switch.
They got to get their hopes up somehow, baby. Got to get their hopes up somewhere, somehow. But we got this. This event is coming up.
Speaking to Tucker Carlson, that's definitely a bearish catalyst right there.
I saw that yesterday too. I saw that come up on my YouTube. They'll make anything a bear catalyst.
Who's going to talk about the economy? He's going to change the narrative.
He's going to make Biden look so bad.
Yeah, okay. All-time highs. Okay. Yeah, y'all guys can be bears and lose y'all money. Okay.
Oh man, cuz it's fun being a bear. You know it's fun being a bear.
Oh yeah. Don't you love the fact that you can sell something that you don't own and buy back at a lower price? Doesn't that sound wonderful? Instead of buying something and owning it and hoping that it goes up in value? Yeah, I'd rather be on the other side of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's check out NVIDIA, because I'm pretty sure NVIDIA is probably pushing right now, moving to NQ.
Oh yeah, Nvidia's up $20. Nvidia stay pushing this.
Yo, NVIDIA. Okay, look at this flow. There is literally no negative gamma on NVIDIA. People just buy it. People just buy NVIDIA. There is literally no negative gamma on this chart. No negative gamma. People's like, dude, y'all sell NVIDIA if y'all want. I'm gonna buy it up.
I'ma buy it up.
Nancy Pelosi's holding up NVIDIA right now, so she really holding up the NQ. Nancy Pelosi buys every dip.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Pelosi, buy the dip Pelosi. Like you said, she in a position. No, we in a position.
In a position.
We
in a position. We in a position.
You got them calls?
We got them calls.
We got them calls.
You see, she's never bought no damn puts. She don't buy puts on NVIDIA.
Never.
TSM is actually a good one, another one to look at too. I think that just got done pumping up.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. I mean, with this AI stuff, like I've said in the previous stream, this AI stuff is in its infancy and it's already making money. It's already making money. Like all these AI. I mean, well, let's go back. I know that everybody understand the term AI, but the real term is automation. That's all AI is. It's just it automates things. It automates repetitive tasks that can be put into a program like Python and automated so you can focus on the things that are more important in the program. That's all that is. That's all AI is, just automation. And the stuff that is automating, like the art generating, the voices, all that stuff, because the voices was already there. Someone just came around and I guess they had a meeting and said, dang, what can we monetize? And then someone probably came in listening to the audiobook, and then the idea must have popped up and say, hold up, are we giving that shit away for free? You're telling me that we have an AI voice that can read text out loud to you, so you don't have to waste your time reading it. All you have to do is listen to it, and we're giving that shit away for free? Oh hell no! Oh hell no! We saving you time. We giving you some value.
Yeah.
Oh hell no! No, we need to put a premium on that because books that I don't care to read, I throw that AI voice on them and have it read it to me. So I'm pretty sure when someone was like, "Yeah, we need to monetize that shit," and I'm pretty sure that's where it came from. Obviously, this is an assumption, obviously, but yeah. But if you purchase or you go to any of these AI stuff talking about they're going to automate tasks for you, they encourage you to buy the annual plan, and the annual plan is starting up at like $500 plus. I've seen some annual plans reaching up to $1,100 to $1,200, and that's just one person buying.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, it's more expensive if you go month to month. So if one person is buying it, at least if one person is buying it, then more people are buying it. And the more people that will buy this stuff, it's going to grow. So that's why they're saying that the AI is like a $1 trillion, $1 billion market cap, and that's probably the reason why Nvidia is going up the way it is, because you do need them chips, some semiconductors for all that. What is it called? Rendering. Yeah, to be able to render all that stuff. So that's probably why Nvidia is riding up the way that it is, because of all this AI stuff. Because it's only going to get bigger. They're already cloning voices. They're already doing deep fakes already. I mean, that's been around, but it's getting bad. With this, I'm surprised no one hasn't been low and dirty, and they'll probably do it during this election cycle. I mean, I understand that maybe everybody is not a fan of Andrew Tate, but they did it to Andrew Tate with that AI voice. I mean, you could tell it was an AI voice, but for them to release that audio as if he said it himself,
yeah,
that was, to me, that was crazy. I was like, yo, that's dangerous. Because if it was a little bit better, if that AI voice was a little bit better, you could convince people that that was true, but it wasn't. It had that crackle, that static, to where it was like, okay, yeah, we know that's an AI voice.
yeah.
But some people don't do that deep dive into it. That's what's dangerous about it, because that voice had him in prison for like 6 months. So if it can do that that's like a small example. What if you do that to your political opponent? You already have AI voices of Trump, Biden, and Obama on YouTube acting like they're playing Call of Duty. I mean,
yeah, I saw that too. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like, I mean, this AI stuff is still in its infancy, but it could be potentially dangerous. Wait till they start to be able to put somebody's image in a video that they weren't originally in, and then use that in a case against them. Like, yeah, we have you on video here, but you weren't really there. You were edited into the video. I mean, they can do that with a green screen. So it's like, it's dangerous. AI is very dangerous. That's probably what Elon Musk was saying, that AI can be very dangerous because of those possibilities. Because people don't take the time to actually investigate reality anymore. It's perception, public perception, and what it looks like, and how everybody feels about it, which is basically perception. If people want to crucify you, I mean, they'll figure a way out to crucify you, because that's what they want to do ultimately. So,
and what do you need? You need Nvidia's help to do it, baby. That Nvidia, I need that. I need them chips. I need them GPUs, baby.
but I don't think. I think this. I don't know, man. I don't know about this. I don't like how prices stalled out right here. We hit 18K. I don't think nobody knows what the hell they want to do.
Come back and wait for the real lunch session. See what they do. See if they see if they dump it, but I don't know. Don't fade on Fridays, baby. Don't fade the trend on Fridays. Because Friday, man, I should have got in pre-market. That's what I'm mad at myself about. At pre-market.
Hey, man. Yo, the game plan was given to y'all. Whoever showed up to the NA meeting, the playbook was there. I didn't think it was going to get this high. I didn't think it was going to get this high. Yo, if I said 18K in that video, he probably would have like, yeah, this guy obviously don't know what the hell he's talking about.
He's really smoking that NAS crack.
That's crack.
He really smoking that NAS crack.
I thought we was going to get a dump.
You had the playbook.
Shoot, I mean, like the highest I thought this was going to possibly get to was like 50, 60-ish. And, you know, I almost left the runner. Like, I was like, man, let me just see how far this runs, because we are in our uncharted territory. But it's an eval, though. So it's not, I mean, it's not like something that I care about. Like, I can get paid from it. But just the fact of just having a runner hit 18K, yo, you ain't going to be able to tell me nothing. It's like, yeah, I got an 18K runner target hit, baby. You can't tell me nothing.
Yeah. Okay. So I know I said I was gonna do this, so I'm gonna do this real quick. Explain my chart setup because I got templates and stuff saved, but I don't know how to. If anybody out there knows if I can share a template or let me know because I don't know about sharing it, but I can go over it real quick. I told y'all the other day, um, how to add the Fibonacci tool that I use on here on Tradeovate. Um, how to add that in the community indicators. So yeah, just do a quick rundown with that again. You go down to community indicators, explore, and tap that. You want to search Sethmo Golden Fib, and that's the retracement tool that I use. You'll come down here, install it, click the install button. That's the one I use if you're into fibs. And then my EMAs, they're pretty simple. This blue line is the 9 EMA.
Okay.
Blue line is the 9 EMA on my chart. Purple is the 21 EMA. This orange line is the 50 moving average, regular moving average. And yellow line is VWAP. And this baby blue line here is 200 moving average for me. And that's pretty much it. that's it for my charts. It's simple for the most part, at least on this one.
This is going down.
I know. I'm sitting there looking at that and trying to talk at the same time. I'm definitely looking at it.
I mean, we kind of did. You know what?
What's up? We taking it? We taking it?
I don't know.
Said no, I don't know.
Maybe. Okay. Let me look to the left real quick. Nah. Okay, I'm in. I'm in it. One contract. I'm in it. One contract.
Just the one.
I might regret this though. Yeah, because dude, I'm not storing this bullish ass momentum. Well, not with size, no. Because I think, I mean, we hit we hit it. I don't put my stop at 1820. I don't. I wouldn't think price would get there. I don't think price would get there. That's like a 27-point stop, one contract, $500. I don't think price would get there. Because I think we're exhausting. And the reason why I say we're exhausting because it seems like the EMAs are trying to flatten out right now. We got to close underneath the 21 EMA. They're trying to buy it back up on the 50, but it's that close below the 21 EMA that will always do it for me.
Mm-hmm.
Because that means that, so for me, that's that trend indicator. That means the trend is done. Price is exhausting. We get a close below it. And the next, like I said, that 950 level might be where bulls might come back in and buy it up for real. But I think we get a reverse one.
Got another one for real.
Let's see if they do at the underbelly of this range right here. Because this is where it broke structure at 995-ish, 993. So let's see if the Bears push this down. But I feel like, man, if they drop this here, this might be one of them 250-point reversals if they drop it. If they drop it.
A2 456. Do.
Yeah, we got a lower price. So that's a chain. That's a breaker structure right here. Let's see. But it's bullish momentum. Bullish momentum.
It is bullish
Yeah,
momentum.
I wouldn't short this with. I wouldn't short this with
It
size.
is bullish
I just do
momentum.
one contract at it to see what she'll do. I doubt she gets to 1820, but if she does, I only lose $500. So it's not like a big loss. $500 risk to a possible 2K reward. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
That's a good ratio. What's your?
If she drops, you know I'm about to add.
What's your what's your target?
My target is at 50. So that's $1,000. If she drops it, I'm gonna add. No, I'm gonna add 2 more contracts to this position if she does what I think she's about to do. I'm gonna add 2 more. Yeah. So yeah, usually I guess to let the chat know from the new people. I just usually I go in one contract to see how it moves, and then I'll add afterwards because you know how the NQ goes. You don't want to start off full size unless you're in Apex, and you just go full port at the beginning. Go full port, baby.
That's right. Unless you at Apex. That's right. That's right. Okay. Let's see what they trying to do here. Took this thing right back up. It was down what?
I doubt it.
It was down what? 15 points, I think. I want to say.
Yeah. Yeah, it was 15 points. Let's see what they do at this high. And you know the profits is only drawdown until it locks in the day, baby. The profits is only extra drawdown. Okay. What a confirmation.
So what a confirmation. Muhammad took
What a confirmation at?
He took a scout. He took a scout from
a scalp short.
Scalp long at 984. Took a scout off of that. That
must be nice.
That fakeness that we just got.
Well, especially with bullish momentum. If this was regular price action, this is a classic exhaustion pattern right here. Reversal, well, whatever you want to call it, reversal, exhaustion. It's classic right here. If we didn't have so much bullish momentum, the Bears or the Bulls would have been crying right now.
Yeah, because the Bears would have took them for everything. Random stops down for a quick 60 pointer. You know how they love doing that at 50, 60. Then they'll be like, okay, we can buy it up. We can buy it down here.
And this is where the PTSD comes in because he's like, man, dude, is it too hot or FOMO into it? And if it's too hot or FOMO into it, then why the hell am I not selling it? But you think logically that would make sense, but until you get in the market, then you learn the hard way that, yeah, it's not too hot to FOMO into. The move just starting, baby. Yeah. Okay. My short got some life to it.
In Q, can we talk for a minute? Mm-mm-mm. I mean, if we do get a, I don't know, it's too much bullish momentum. They keep buying that right back up. If we were to get a drop, if this was any other type of day, if we were to get a real drop, I could see it getting down to here at that range, 45.
I think
50.
we at least rebalance that VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP. It's a good spot. But in order for them to do that, they're gonna need to run all the bull stops. Run the stops. Run those stops.
And what do you think is under all this trend line? This big giant trend line, no price action, trend line, stops, baby.
Let me look at this real quick.
Actually, let me look at the SPY real quick. SPY hit. Hold on, that's Nvidia. Never mind.
Oh, did it?
Okay, SPY finally hit it. I was like, no, that's Nvidia.
No, that's Nvidia. I was about to say they did it.
I got it on Nvidia.
They did it? No way, they did it.
I was like, dude, let me look at the flow and see if they.
Oh, they did do it.
Push right now.
They did do it. They crossed it. They crossed it.
They crossed it.
They did cross it.
And then they got sold right back down. Okay. All right, let's look at the flow.
They did cross it.
SPY flow.
Good on you guys. I'm sure somebody took a screenshot instead of taking profit. You know how to go. Screenshots come first, baby. Screenshots come first.
Screenshots come first, and then we take the profit, baby.
Then we take the profit.
You got shared on it.
Gotta share it with others.
Remember that?
Share it with others first on the internet. Then we take the profit.
Yep, that's how we do it. That's how it's done, baby. No shame in the game, baby. That's how it's done. We gotta let other people know that. Yeah. Remember that position I was telling you about? I was up 90 something points. I took a screenshot, and then it took.
Yo, that actually happened to me before, though. That's a funny story. In options, hilarious story. That actually did really happen to me in real life. I posted
everybody in the chat that's happened to them.
Dude,
if you say that you never took the screenshot, then I'm not listening to you no more. Because you're not even being honest at this point.
Yeah, I can't. You're untrustworthy at that point.
At some point in your trading career, you took that screenshot. You took that screenshot. Nobody want to hear that you did.
You took the screenshot.
Especially if that was like your first good trade, you took that screenshot, dude.
Yeah. You took that screenshot. You go take the screenshot. Shoot. But yeah,
You know I'm up in this position, baby. You know I'm up in this position. Hey, Sherman, hey, I had to pull out my bear goggles, pull them up. I was like, okay, yeah. It looks like it's getting sold right here.
Do they buy it
up? My bull goggles are better. You see, yeah, they're gonna probably buy it up, dude.
Do they buy it up at 70 though? Or right here, where'd they get down to? 75? Yeah, that's prior.
I think they break these lows right here.
Prior supply though. Gotta be careful.
I think they break this right here. Because I mean, the market makers have so much money trapped. I mean, so usually when I make my decisions, I'm looking to see where the market makers got their money at. They got their money above them swing highs right there. Unless price is going up, the market ain't gonna let that money flow back into the market. They're gonna let them late bulls suffer. You want to stay in a position when we reverse? Yeah, we need that. We need that liquidity, baby. But at the same time, is the market still going up? So I mean, in situations like this, that's why it's kind of a gamble, really. But I think the market's going down. It's looking like it. Lower low in price, lower highs. It seems like it's getting sold off the trend line. Price a strong close underneath the 20 and the 50 EMA. Yeah, I think this is going down. They're not going to release that money on top of them highs. Yeah, they're not releasing that money. They're telling them bulls, cry harder, baby. Say, cry harder, baby.
We need your tears for fuel. We need them tears for fuel. And they come in like, psych, what y'all thought? Psych. Map it out, map it out. Signs keep mounting.
Yeah, and over at Bookmap, it's seeing, I'm looking at the right side. It seems that the momentum is now shifting. You can see that the Bears have been pushing price down. The Bears are trying. Not the Bears, the Bulls are trying. But it seems that the Bears do have control of the market right now. It do seem like they have the control.
Oh, let me see what CL did. Okay, CL made it to 77.29 and then dumped. Muhammad said SPX taught him to never take a screenshot again.
That's funny.
I just saw that. Dang.
Actually, there is somebody over at Black Box Stock when I was trading options, and I did join their. I still use their charts because of that gamma level that they give out as a part of their subscription, which is very helpful in my opinion. Bumblebee, or whatever her name is, dude, she kills it. Dude, it's like she mastered XPX. She's always making her group money. Always. I just never. I wasn't rich enough to trade XPX back then when I was looking at her stuff, but man, she made people money. She made people some real money. Still probably does. I don't go to the chat anymore, but yeah. She was like, yeah, get in here. And when I say that, it was on point.
Get in here.
Yo, she is on point. On point with her call outs, man.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm taking a measured move of this. If it does run at least 50 points, that's about 958. 17.
That's crazy. That's my first target. That's my first target. 958 is my first target. That's interesting.
Oh, okay. 958. Okay. On to something there.
My first target.
On to something there.
We'll see if we get it. We'll see. We'll see. But I think my stop is good. I don't think it's touching 21. At least not right now. Maybe afternoon session. Maybe. Well, okay, so we got all this price action above this old high at 972. We got all this price action. Even though we had all this movement, it only technically went up about 30, 40 points. It only went up 40 points above this old high right here. So if that's the case, usually when we go 20 to 40 points above a high, from what I've noticed, obviously the NQ can do what she wants. But usually when I see like the 20, 40 points above old highs, That's like major supply. That is major supply, and the market is going down from there. That's what I've seen in the past, and you can go back and look at your charts and see it for yourself on the NQ. We don't know if it's going to happen here. Usually, when this happens, we get that $250 to $300. 300 point pullback. That's what we usually get.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
Dang, look at them bear goggles, baby. Who called that out live on stream, baby? Who called that? Where was that fair value gap at? Where's that at? Where that fair value gap at? Speaking of fair value gaps, for some reason I'm starting to get posts from ICT. I don't even look at his videos. Why the hell am I getting that suggested to me? Anyway, I saw a post. This guy's supposed to be the god of trading. Why the hell are you taking he took a 10-point trade, only making $250, and you posted that like you're supposed to be proud of that? Dude, you're supposed to be the god of trading. You're supposed to know this shit. You ain't supposed to take no 10 points and take profit. What was that?
That's exposing himself. He exposing himself. I mean, like you said, he just capitalized on, like we said, on the teaching aspect of it.
The teaching aspect is very, dude, that. The only reason why I feel that I'm taking it more personally, well, no, I'm not taking it personally, let me rephrase that, is that I understand the teaching side, and I understand that sometimes you can understand the knowledge, but then not have what it takes to actually implement your own knowledge, which is crazy to say, but more often is true. A lot of people are great teachers. It's just that when it comes time to teaching themselves, because of whatever they've gone through in their own personal lives, it ultimately comes to they don't deserve to be able to do these things, but they understand it and they can teach it to other people that can take their concepts and run away with them. So I've always said that what he's saying, you can look at the charts and see that it's true. It's always been true. His teaching is great. I don't believe that him personally is a great trader. That's just my opinion.
That he can execute on it, yeah.
Yeah, he can't execute on his own stuff, but he can definitely. He did change the game with his information. Now that I'm doing some research on him, but like I said earlier, the person I learned from is saying the same thing, but he's not saying fair value gaps and all the other stuff. And I'm not talking about one of his cult following people teaching his same concepts. I'm talking about somebody that was in the game just as long as him, 20 to 30 years. I only listen to older people. I'm not going to listen to somebody my age trying to tell me how to goddamn trade. Like, dude, we've been alive at the same time. How the hell you know what the hell is going on? I'm not going to buy your course, you bastard. I'm not buying your course.
That's wild.
No, I'm gonna be the people that have been in the game before the computers, the people that had to call their brokers up to put on positions.
Yeah.
Those people that survived the game, the old game, I'm listening to those people. I'm listening to them.
They had to call their brokers to place a trade, and that's crazy because you definitely not getting in where you want to be.
I want to get in, yeah. The brokers loved it. I bet the brokers was the main people that try to prevent the internet trading for as long as possible, because I know they was making a lot of money, and they can be like, "Oh yeah, I know you wanted to get in here, but by the time we pulled your account up, the price was here. Do you want to still get in it? Like, what can you do in that? Like, what can you do at that point? Are you gonna get into it or not? You still pay the commissions.
Yeah.
What you gonna do?
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Still paid for it. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? You know the NQ is the NQ is the NQ. He is the NQ. Look at that. But yeah.
Points.
But nah. I mean, yeah, I get it. But no shot at ICT, but we don't trade them concepts around here. We trade. We let the charts tell us what she gonna do. We don't need no fair value gas to trade, baby. We just look at the charts and we trust in her. Even though she's an NQ and she likes to play with our emotions. Yeah. Listen to what she tells us that she wants to do. But it is crazy though. That 18K target, dude, like that's crazy. I really did not see 18K coming today. Dang, look like she's trying to retest it. Look at that.
I know.
And this is why it's not. Damn, look at that. God dang, break even. Well, see, that's my problem right there. I don't take profits. I don't take the profits. I won't my target. So now I'm back at break even. Now I'm back at break even. I'm back at break even. Yeah, let me see this. Okay. Let me see. Let me look at her. I mean, look at that. If you look to the left, I guess this is support. I guess at 67. I guess you see it on the 1,000 tick chart. You look to the left. I guess that's support because she bounced right at it.
Yeah, I had it on my freaking chart because it was previous supply turned support. Yep. Previous supply turned support. We may get that. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, we may get the head and shoulders, but I don't know. At this point,
yeah,
they might just.
Okay, if they get it over, if they can get it back over, I mean, which I doubt, because technically, this is still a lower high, and we still made a lower low. We have to get it above. Price needs to get above this old high at 18.1. At 18.1, that well, let me rephrase that. It needs to close over 18.1 to break this downtrend. But technically, we're still in a downtrend. So, this is why I counter trend trade. Like if I'm right, because obviously right now we don't know if I'm right now. I was right for like 2 seconds, and then it got bought right back up. But what you have to endure being on trading with the trend sometimes. Well, I guess being a bear would be counter trend for right now. And the point I'm trying to make is like right now, if I'm right, I have to deal with all this break even, these bulls buying it back up, her pushing it down, and then the bulls buying it right back up until the bulls really get exhausted because they've made 1, 2, 3, 4 newer lower lows on the 1,000 tick chart. 4 newer lower lows. That means that the bulls they keep buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, trying to make it a retest of 18.7, but they're continuously failing to keep pushing it higher. But the bears are taking price lower. So yeah, in a regular momentum, this would have been a great short position right here.
Yeah, I know, right? We had that regular day. Such a lonely day.
And you already know what happens after news run-ups. You already know what happens. You already know what happens after we get big news runs. No price action is just a FOMO. Everybody's FOMO into the position. I'll probably get that correction Monday, Tuesday, that correction. And then we're going to probably get that regular price action again on Wednesday. But I thought we had we got like CPI next week. At the calendar. I think we have CPI next week.
Do we?
Or something next week. Yeah, something next week, I thought. Yeah, we got CPI next week. On Tuesday. Oh, wow, that's so crazy. Yeah, it's crazy how these news events like to fall on these rotations. It's funny. Because if we do have a down day on Tuesday, Or yeah, well, actually, let me phrase that. Never mind. Let me take that back real quick. I forgot that I had this stupid filter on. Yeah, we got CBI next week. Yeah, we got it on Tuesday. Yeah, like I said, it's crazy how this news event falls on that Tuesday where we get the big run up on Friday, we kind of consolidate on Monday, and then we get that correction on Tuesday. Mm.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I'm tripping. About to say something. And a run to BWAT would be crazy. Crazy nice. Would it though? Would it?
Oh crap! Hey, I'll be back. I forgot. I got something.
All right. Yeah. I think if I'm patient enough, I will be rewarded. Maybe we'll see. We shall see. We up 120 something points up on the day right now. Team no sleep, man. Shoot. Imagine if I held my entry down here. Literally long in the bottom. Mr. Long in the bottom. Do do do. Do do do. Oh, y'all gonna do me like that, huh? Y'all gonna do me like that, huh? Yeah, they unstoppable today. Unstoppable bulls. Like Sherm said earlier, I don't even know how to be a bear. You can't be a bear in these markets. Let's see, that was a 39 point from the high. Q, I thought you were going to give just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Thought you were going to give us 58. Just a little bit more. I just flipped the switch. Flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. So, man, they bought right off that freaking supply zone. From back here, this was at 7:30, and they formed that. That's where they bought off of. I just flip the switch.
Yeah.
Flip.
Let's see what they do here, because it looks like that this. It looks like they did just sweep that high of 18K. It does look like they swept it.
Yeah.
Are you in a position right now?
I'm looking back. I'm in that same position you wasn't, unless you closed it.
Where's your entry at? My entry is at like 95. Where's your entry?
Yeah, you got a much better entry than I do. Much better. And I hit one of your moves and didn't take profit. I hit one of your moves and didn't take profit. That let's see what they do here though. You know what they might do? Or something I've seen before. They might push this. Well, no, let me not say that. I'm not gonna say that.
Let's see. I mean, well, if they take it over, well, this is the price action that I'm going to be looking for. I mean, if they go higher, there has to be a break of this high at 18.7. There needs to be a strong close above it, and there needs to be a retest somewhere in this area for it to go long. If I don't see that, then I'm going to be more confident in this short, because that's telling me that bulls are exhausted. But the bulls can also grind it up.
Yeah, we've seen that happen just now. It could grind that thing right back up. 66, where did that? All right, where'd you get? You got to 67.
Yeah, so yeah, I think I was up like 30 points, 30 something points. Yeah, 30 points.
Yeah.
And that's not good enough for me, people.
This is 30. That's not good enough.
I mean, it sucks having price come back all the way back to your break even, and now I'm in negative drawdown 10 points. But yeah, it sucks. But I think my stop is safe at 20. I think it's safe. I think it's safe. I think my stop is safe.
I'm just watching.
Like I said,
just watching.
Let's see what they do in 8 minutes. Let's see what the people over in London, how they're going to want to close this.
Take your profits, London. Take your profits down to VWAP, London. Shoot. Stupid.
Okay, so yeah, this is looking like this is looking like this is looking like it. This is looking like it. Because we got the lower loan price. We had the bulls try to take price up higher 1, 2, 3 times. That's how many times the bulls had to try to make this go up. We had a break of structure. Price tapped right back into this area where there was supply, swept the high, and it looks like it's going down. Like I said, I think this is going down. The bulls have to prove to me that they want this before I get out of this position.
So we haven't proven to you enough?
Nope. No. Yeah, I ain't got to open them highs yet, baby. Yeah, I ain't got to open them highs yet. And let me stop. But it's like, oh, that's what we need? That's what we need to do?
No, you giving them confidence right now.
So we can do that?
What you thought?
Highs, baby.
What you thought? That's all we need to do to get them out? Okay.
All right. This is on the 6th, actually.
Give me that. Oh.
No, what was so working on this like the 7th or 8th? Yeah, I talked to this guy.
I just flipped the switch. Switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
Yeah, just I have power on this on the 8th.
5 minutes. So if we get this doji,
yeah. If you're in this short, yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good.
I'm thinking
This is looking good.
if we get this
If
like
you're in this short,
doji close on this hourly, that would be interesting to see. Or I mean, it's got 5 minutes left for this hourly candle, so I'm curious to see how it closes. And then what's my 4 hours sitting at? Oh, we still got 2 hours in this bad boy. Still got 2 hours in this one. I just flipped the script. Flip the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody doing it. Now let's see if they go right back into it. So we got into the previous supply zone, which apparently turned into demand, at least for the moment. But I wonder if they break that. If the Bears can come in and break that and be like, no, we're gonna take it down. But let's just see. Volume slowing up. It looks like it's slowing up. Feels like it's slowing up.
all right, hold on.
Let's see the volume on that. Yeah, that was 80K, 82K, and then this one's sitting at 51K right now. Yeah, I missed my exit. That was a chance for me to get out at the previous supply demand, and I knew it too. I was just being greedy. My greedy mindset was like, nah. My greedy mindset was like, nah, dude, hold that, hold it to, hold it to X, Y, and Z to at least 50, 50, 54, 58, which was what we got to 67, 9 points. 9 points I held out for. Let's flip the script. Flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Boom. Dum, dum, dum.
Yeah, this right here is looking. Yo, this closes underneath this 21 EMA and the 50. Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. If we get a strong close underneath it.
Shoot.
Hold on. Oh yeah, you're in the short with me. Yeah. Hold on, where's your entry at?
Mine's at 84, unfortunately. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
84. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you're good. You should. Yeah, this is good, dude. It's gonna probably take out. Well, okay. So here's a place to be mindful. I'm pretty sure once you get past your break even, you're gonna probably put like a trailing stop. But be mindful at 77. Be mindful.
77. Yeah, that's like the top of
Be
that.
mindful at 77. Yeah, be mindful. I think we break through that, but it's so close to your break even. I mean, I got like that's like 20 points, or I'm at 95. Yeah, that's like 20 points for me.
Yeah.
So I mean, if it comes back up, it comes back up. But that's about like what, a couple points for you.
I got a better position on this eval account. I'm in at 94 on my eval account. If that's any consolation. Consolation prize.
Oh no, which account that you took it short in?
Took shorts and both.
Oh, actually, give me like 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. I gotta talk to this guy. He wants to talk to me. Hold on.
All right. Okay. He said plus back plus I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Yeah, but how? How do you share? I got it. Say I got the templates. I got the templates here. Yeah, I got two of them here, and or actually three. It's my 5, my 2000, and my 1000 tick. But I think let's see. Um, okay. Looking for that's as far as I could go. Man, I can't go back to. I think it was Marquise that put it out there on how to do it. If you could comment that again, so I could look at it, how to share. Is it on the add modules? Okay, plus sign. Right. And then Tradeovate's workspace. Oh. Let's see. Time and sales, trade performance. I don't see anything. Unless it's this. Workspaces. Default layout. I I don't want to change nothing. I don't want to mess up nothing right now. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at it. Let's just see. Initial margin 39%. Split it up. Let's split it. Split skis. Split it up. I'm up well, I mean, I'm up 1,000 on a day on this eval over here. On an eval that don't mean nothing. King sliders. Yeah. We got what? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let me check and see how the daily. I think I already looked at this. Yeah, sitting there dancing around my break even. My bad. I was over here looking at Trading View. Yeah, exactly. Dancing around my break even. Mm, mm, mm. Slide. And so, okay, so 60 would be 47, 50. 50. Yeah, it would be around 58. 77.50. For my ambition. Yeah, 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 yeah. See if they want to do here. It's looking. I don't know. That's looking kind of meh right there. Let's see. Real stuff over there just happened right here. Seven. I'm not even gonna give them that. But targets that. Lock them down here. 875. And say 40. 97. Oh, uh, see, this is where my music playing comes in. I listen to music. But I can't do that here on stream, so I just gotta sing and hum to myself. That was 54K, and this is only 9K right now. And we've been in this for almost. Yeah, this volume is dead right now.
Okay, yeah, I'm back. So yeah, this is oh, he's dancing around your break even.
Yeah. Volume is.
Oh no, where'd he get to?
Dead.
Oh, I
right
got to 79. Yeah, I was like, yo, just be mindful in this area, dude. Like,
yeah,
there is kind of support right here. There is support.
yeah,
This is it's looking like a head and shoulders pattern right here. Yo, this looks like that's why I was like, yo, be careful. This looks like a head and shoulders pattern if it stops at that damn level. Yeah, I'll move my stop to break even. I mean, I'm in profit, but it ain't good enough. So
yeah, I see I see all the support over here. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I just was hoping that you were wrong and the Bears would just
don't inverse the churn, baby. Don't inverse the churn.
You know, just the Bears would just flush the toilet on it already and take it down to VWAP, and then it would be good, you know? You know, a move like that would just flush the toilet.
I mean, but it's like, okay, so we talked about it before. I mean, this could be like a head and shoulders pattern, but at the same time, it's a double top. So it's like, which one do you trust? Do you trust the double top, or do you trust the inverse head and shoulders pattern? I mean, the price can break this. We can touch that low. Autumn stocks, yeah. We can touch that low right there. That's why I haven't got out of this position yet. Because I think I'm gonna trust in that double top versus that inverse head and shoulders. I'm gonna trust in that double top. Because why not? But at the same time, that obviously the bulls are exhausted. We have created a trading range. This is a trading range.
Yeah, but the Bears need to take over. Yeah, if your opponent is exhausted, you go for the kill. You don't let them recover slowly and get the energy to come back in. You go for their neck. Ah, but it did it again. They love that area right there. I'm just looking for this break. You get that break of that, and I think we would be good. Right back to break even. This thing may be, if it don't rip from here.
I mean, in my opinion, I feel that. I mean, see, this is why I counter trend trade, dude. Even if you're right, it's not even gonna be worth it. It's not even worth being right at this point. So I'm gonna just take the counter trend trade.
Yeah.
It's not even worth being right at this point.
Yeah. This thing. Where'd they buy? Let me take that down smaller. So they bought it at 79.50 and then 77.75.
Okay. But yeah, sorry guys. Not only did I have a meeting, but somebody needed my expertise, so I had to talk to them. So I had to talk to them for a while. Okay.
So there's 1,000 right there. Yeah, NQ, you might have gave me or tried to give me my other opportunity. See, she gives opportunities.
She does.
She does. She gives them.
She's merciful.
Yeah. She is merciful. She wants to be.
She's merciful at times.
Yeah.
Nah, she's only merciful when she knows that you're not going to do it. I mean, dude, she loves that. He's not going to take the profits. Watch this. Let me go into this break even. Watch this. Watch him not take it. Watch him give him hope. It's her pleasure.
It's her
watch
pleasure.
Him scale into this as I take it higher. Watch him scale into it. Let him hit DLL and then I'm gonna go in his favor.
Yeah.
But you already know, dude, when you get that release, when she finally breaks, finally gives in and say, damn, I ain't get him. I did all that, he ain't fold.
He ain't fold. I did all that and he ain't fold. Okay.
Man, he was down 30K at one point. Dang, phase him. I didn't get him with that.
I'll get you next time. We'll get him next time. Mission abort. Better luck next time. City line. Yeah, it's the waiting that make you want to close your position and just go cry in the corner somewhere. Cause you know I'm over my time. You know it's Friday. You know we got stuff to do.
I mean, dude, this can go either way, man. Yeah, this literally can go either way.
I feel like they about to blast off.
It looks like they about to blast it, dude. It looks like it is about to blast.
Yeah, they held.
If you're at break even, I would take it. I would take it.
I
would take it. Or at least if you want to take a couple of points and draw it, well, no, I would take it because there's no such thing as accepting loss like that. Nah.
Yeah, they look like they want to blast off just because they defended this
area.
Yeah, man,
so just get out of this one, man. If you're in it, if you're at break even, get out. Because I already said that they already got support to the side. It's looking like a head and shoulders. They got support right here. Well, I know you didn't get out of it, but they got look to the left and support here. It bounced off support. I doubt, and that low at 966 is looking like a strong low. So, I've already moved my stop. My stop was at the break even +1. I'm not. I was up 30 points. I ain't take it, so it's my fault.
Yeah. Yeah, these holds and holding through this, just makes you want to just close the whole thing and go home. I was gonna say. All right, so
yeah.
Sherm's
Yeah,
out.
honestly, with this one, this like, dude, if you didn't get out of this one, this actually might be it right here. This actually, yeah, dude. Oh, damn, I kind of saw this too late. All right, hey, yo, if this goes above, if it goes above 18-2, you may have to take that loss. You may have to take it
Oh,
if it
man.
goes above 18-2. If price doesn't get shot down right here, because technically it just swept this liquidity right here at 95. If that doesn't shoot it down, and if it continues to go up, if you look at the chart, dude, it's a higher high, dude. It's a swing high. It's a higher high. You know what that means. You know it's going higher. So don't let that shit get above. Yeah, well, I mean, if you want to hold it, if you want to hope, don't let that shit get above 1810. If you want to hope, don't let it get above 1810. Because that shit gonna run. Don't let it get above 1810, dude, if you want to hope.
Yeah, 1810 is a super danger. That's an Avengers level threat. Yeah. That's an Avengers level threat at 1810.
Yeah, I guess they could try to come in and try to sweep these highs and then take it back down. I mean, they could do that, but there's nothing but stops. There's nothing but bear stops above that high right there.
Yeah.
So either this could be a fake out breakout, but we made a higher high in price. We're still in an uptrend. The Bears got their 30-point pullback.
Yeah, that's not enough though, man. That 30 points ain't enough.
I guess technically it was more than 30 points.
I mean, yeah.
I got 30 points, but technically it was more than that.
That ain't enough.
1807 minus 967. I think it got to, right? 967.
Dang, it was like 40 points.
Yeah. Well, I'm out of this position, man.
And I wanted like 10 more. I wanted like 10 more points. Yeah. I wanted 10.
It'd be like that.
10 more. I wanted 10 more. Y'all couldn't give it to me. Stupid Bears. I hate you. I hate you, Bears.
The calm before the storm. So, what are you gonna do?
11 points, 5
I know what you want to do, but what you gonna do?
Man, I'm about to close this. I'm about to close this ish.
I mean, right now the loss would be small. Right now, I mean, you only like 10 points in drawdown. You're only 10 points in drawdown.
Yeah, small. Yeah.
And this is the Apex account, right?
Yeah, it's the Apex.
Man, you can make that back, man.
Shoot, I did it.
You can make it back.
I did, see, we had double top turned into double bottom. This nasty.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. Let's see what they do at this high, man. Don't let it get above 10, 11. Don't let it get above that. Because if that's the point, if that's the case, then if it gets there, then there's really no stopping it. There's really no point stopping it. You might as well just keep going. Mm-hmm. Looks like the Bears are defending their position right now. The Bears are defending this high. This is a mean reversal pattern right here. Like on a regular day, the Bears will be eating and the Bulls will be crying right now. On a regular day, this is a triple nested reversal pattern. Look how the Bears are trying to sell this down. Look how the Bulls are trying and failing. And they just made this higher high at 980. Yeah, dude, she got to 977.75 in reverse. Yeah, I told you look out for that area right there, man, because they was gonna probably come in right there. Probably come in. I was like, yo, if it don't get past that, I was gonna get out of my position. All
I'm
right,
out.
if you're still in this position,
No, I'm
still
out.
in.
I'm out. I'm
You're,
out.
you're out.
I'm out.
Okay.
I'm out. I'm out. So if I would have, here's why I let this. I already know the reason for my demise now. So here's what happened basically. If I would have took this profit down here, I wanted 10 more points. I was greedy for 10 more points. Right? 10 more points. So I wanted it came here to 67. I wanted 58. So really 9 points. But anyway, so if I'd have took that there, went long there, you know, same thing. I'd have been eaten. I'd have been eaten if I did that. But yeah. And then watch it like I know we just hit that new I was about to say watch this thing dump. And I'll be like, oh, triple top. I don't think it's gonna I'm looking at this these ribbons here and I'm just like, I think it's still gonna
You know what's crazy though?
I think it's still gonna go up.
I mean, I told you to put your stop at 910, dude.
Yeah, you did. And it's a tick.
Literally a tick right there. Literally a tick.
Yeah.
Still could have had hope. But
so
I mean, it is what it is. We'll make the money back, man.
Yeah. So that's where I effed up. I got greedy for 9 points. Should have got out down here. I'm mapping it out. I'm still, even though we took the L, I'll map it out. So I know. So I know for next time. Could have got out here, reversed and went. Could have closed out here and then long here. Cause what I should have did was trust the supply or previous supply turned into demand, especially on a trend day like this. Yeah.
Dude, that would be so dirty. That would be so dirty.
What?
That would be dirty.
She dropped.
Yo, if she drops.
She drop it.
Yo, that would be dirty. That would be dirty.
I suspected something like that would
happen. That would be so dirty. Oh, look how dirty she is. Yo, she is dirty for that.
I suspected something like that would happen though. Oh, that would be super dirty. Super dirty.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was that sweet. That's sweet. Alright, y'all. Y'all saw me take these L's here. It's all good though, baby. We live to trade another day. I mean, nobody likes taking L's, but
it's part of the game, baby. It's part of the game.
Yeah, it's part of the game. So we got this let's see which part though. I just saw your message. Which part? Just the whole thing?
Oh yeah. The whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay. So slow climb up. Yeah, you better go up for my sake. You better go up. Shoot, I want to see you hit 1820, 1850, all of that. You better go up. Shoot, 350.
To validate.
Yeah, to make me feel better. Like, okay, you got out. You did the right thing. You got out at whatever. You got greedy for 9 points. I'm gonna remember that. Yeah, but here's a little preview over here of the Discord in this. Let me expando. Can't even.
I can't emphasize this enough as you pull it up. Those that came to the NA meeting last night got a piece of this move. When I said that we talked about this in the NA meeting, until it happened exactly the way I said it was, minus the 18,000 target.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, it happened. And then I posted the chart. Yeah, you gotta put. Yeah, look at the chart. Pull up the chart.
Where'd you post it in at?
It should be under board meeting.
Okay, in the board.
Not meeting. The voice one, but the purple tab.
Yeah. Let's blow this up. Let's blow it up. Let's look at it. Okay. I got it pulled up. All right. Talk your talk. I got it pulled up.
Oh yeah, so this was already planned. For those that joined the Discord last night when we announced it, the chart was posted.
So what? You took a chart. You took a short entry.
I got in right there.
I'm trying to. I'm trying.
Long entry.
So you took that long entry, exited up here,
and
then you caught the. Did you take a short as well?
Or no, I didn't take the short. I took the long.
Oh, you took the long. Okay.
The long.
Oh, wait. So you
exited.
And
then the win should be under the win tab. So under NA meeting. That was the chart. That was the bullish and bearish case chart. If price would have break under there, that's where I would have went in long.
Oh, okay. I see. So you went to. Let me see the wins. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got you. Bearish case, yeah, the bullish case. So you got your targets hit.
Got the targets hit, baby.
And then some. Shoot. Who the hell?
Dude, I wish I stayed in this damn thing.
I know, right? You'd have held that thing. Shoot. All right, yellow line, 21 EMA. You got the little key down here. I like that. I'm about to start doing that. Gray line, 200.
It was right there. So yeah, as soon as the market opened, it's exactly as I spoke about during the NA meeting on my page. I figured that the market was either going to open exactly where it opened at, or we were going to get a gap up just because of the price action that we had. Yeah. That big drop was not a reversal. That big drop was the market taking profit or doing them stop runs, having the big guys buy as the price went down. As soon as I saw that it bounced off the top of that trading range, I just knew that, this is going up. And I was just hoping that it didn't gap up and I would have to have a worse entry. So I'm glad it stayed exactly where it closed at. Man, I went in about, 1 or 2 contracts at that level. I just let it ride.
Yeah.
Let them both ride. So I was happy when I woke up to both of my targets getting hit. And I was like, that's what I'm talking about, baby. But yeah, the Discord is going to have nothing but value. Even if there's nobody in there, at least the information that's going to be provided in the Discord is going to be valuable. Foresight trading, not hindsight trading. We're going to explain why we taking the trade. We're going to do bullish and bearish cases. Smith is going to post his charts and what he sees with the market.
Yeah.
He's usually more pre-market. I like to trade, obviously, during New York and possibly the afternoon session, but Smith is the guy for pre-market.
I like to see what happens.
He's the guy for pre-market.
Yeah, I like to see what happens in the pre-market. It's slower and more, easier to manage. If you don't like all this crazy volatility, the pre-market is, it's a slow build. Yep. And then you'll know if you're on the right side. And that thing will take off, whichever direction it'll take off. Usually, sometimes we got slow pre-market all the way through up until open. That's the ones that you'd be like, dang, I just wasted 8 hours of my life. I just wasted my 8 hours of my life sitting here staring at these charts. But it's all, it's all chart study in the end. So I guess it helps. I guess it helps. But really, nobody wants to sit through that.
Yeah, I'll put on a position. I'll go to sleep. If I have a position in pre-market, I'll just put maybe 1 or 2 contracts on, and just go to sleep and just put like a bigger stop. Usually, I have a 27-point stop. I'll put it depending on where I think if the market gets here, then I know I'm wrong. That's usually where I put my stop. But I'm usually I'm usually not too far off from the high or the low. Usually, I mean, if you just look at the left, look at the charts, let the charts tell you what it wants to do.
Yeah.
Then I'm usually not that far off. Usually, my only time I take losses is when I go on tilt and I don't take my money, and the market reverses on me because I want more. Yeah, we deal with that.
Like I
you
just
want
did.
more, baby.
I was greedy for 9 points. Greedy for 9 points. I
Not
had my
about the profits,
opportunity.
it's about the targets, baby.
I had my opportunity to freaking take that, and I didn't.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I was up 30, 40 points. I didn't take it. But like I said, I don't see this. I mean, I'm starting to see this as a business. I'm starting to see that, okay, I know that a lot of people see this as a business, and so I can share my expertise with other people, and so they can help them change their lives and change their lives with this prop firm money. I see this more as a hobby. I'm not necessarily focused on payouts. My focus is understanding how to get the maximum amount of profits, understanding the market mechanics, understanding what she's trying to do, and that's my focus. If I got all my targets hit, but I don't even understand what the hell is going on, I wouldn't even be satisfied with that. I really would not be satisfied with that at all. I want to be knowledgeable in this area. That's my focus, and I think I'm showing that with my NA meetings, with my call outs and stuff like that, and that's what brings me joy doing this. So, and I'm here to share this knowledge with you guys.
Oh yeah,
Discord.
let me post
really
that.
want to build a community, really.
Oh my bad, I forgot to. See, I was running late. I forgot to post that mess in there. I'm tripping. Tripping.
Like,
hold on, wait. Let me check. Yeah. Let me check.
We're going to be doing it, man. There's going to be valuable information in there. We're not taking trades because a random fair value cap is showing itself. We're going to explain why we taking it, what we see, and you're going to be profitable if you stick with us. Now, we're not financial advisors. I want to put that out there. We're two guys in hoodies that love trading, and we're just sharing this with y'all.
Got the hoodie
we're
on.
We're in our hoodies trading.
Got the hoodie on.
Yeah.
I'm in my comfortable
financial advisors.
My comfortable gaming chair. And I'm just
not financial advisors.
I'm chilling.
But we do want to build a community of traders because, we mean this. Like, honestly, when I say that, when I started finding success when I started trading with my trading partner, when we would start to talk, like on the days when we both failed,
we weren't in
days when we just didn't even talk to each other. We just we came back at the end of the day and say, I just blew an account.
Yeah, we were doing it all individually too. Be like, hey, what you come out with? Oh, I did this.
Yeah, that's how we did it.
Like, oh man, I did the same thing. Or oh man. Like, yo.
Yeah.
He was like, man, we gotta.
Sometimes I didn't hear from Smith. I already knew what happened.
The silence said it all. The silence said it all. You ain't hear from me?
I was like, yep.
Yeah, if I ain't hit him with a text and be like, I made 10K, baby, and none of that. Yeah, it was the kind of day I was dealing with.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess if you wanted to share that, you could have shared that. You want to share anonymous with them or no?
Nah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Nah.
Okay. But yeah,
they're not ready for all that.
But yeah, if Smith did not message me and I didn't hear from him until the next day, I'd be like, dude, how many and how much? How many and how much? And then we would just laugh about it. Yeah. But yeah, once we actually said, dude, why don't we just do this together? Like, why don't we just trade together and talk about the trades we take? That's when we started to actually see some damn success just trading with other people or trading with each other.
I mean, because it helps you get other perspectives, right? Like, I mean, sometimes, like you said, no one's always right all the time, but you get your perspectives and you're like, okay, well, if I'm going to stick with my conviction, then I'm going to stick with my conviction. Let me see if you're right. And then that type of thing. And then sometimes it's like, okay, yeah, you might be right. You're right. Let me get out. And then I reversed it. That's happened plenty of times. And then I got back in profit or whatever. But Alfred, you were correct. These orders are building up at 25 and 50. 25 and 50. But I'm done, bro. I'm done. I took my L for the day. Took a win in the eval for Blue Sky, so it's like, that doesn't make me feel any better though. Not at all.
Yeah.
Because it's just
take that win in the Apex account.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't trade my take profit. Oh my god. Yo, so glad I didn't touch that.
See, I told you, don't inverse the Sherm, baby.
I
Don't inverse the Sherm.
I always do this to myself on Fridays or Mondays. It's like we talked about earlier, like a self-sabotage type thing. Because I was up, I could have been good, but it is what it is.
And I do want to say this for everybody out there. I think we said this on a previous stream, but I just proved it again to myself. Again, I made 5K. You know how many contracts I traded today?
You went light.
I only traded 5 contracts today.
And got
Each
5.
contract made $1,000.
Nice.
Yesterday, I was doing the same thing, and I scaled in and lost all my damn money. It is possible to make a lot of money with
small
a little bit
size.
of risk.
Yeah,
it is possible, dude. I proved it again to myself. After I scaled into my position unnecessarily, I blew the account. Well, not blew the account, hit daily loss from it. And I came back in today with it. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we're just gonna see. I'm gonna sit off in the sidelines, watch from my phone, watch TradingView, and see what happens. Because I'm gonna be curious to look out and map out. I mean, obviously, this up above is an uncharted territory. So, but I want to see if price does come back down and respect what I feel like what we think is support right here. This was hit 1, 2, 3. I mean, we got down here, 4. This is support. But really, I should have been looking at this. This is what I had it on there, but I got greedy. I let greed cover my eyes. The greed scales got over my eyes. Like, what's that duck? What's that duck that be dang, I can't remember. I think was it from Darkwing Duck? The rich.
No, you're talking about Scrooge McDuck.
Scrooge, yeah.
Scrooge McDuck.
Yeah.
Scrooge McDuck,
yeah.
I let the green duck. I was like, what are you talking about?
I let the money, them dollar signs get above my eyes for 9 points. Crazy.
Hey man, I mean it happens, dude. Dude, we trade in Q. Nobody can say that that's not happened to them. Nobody can say that. I mean, shit, we do that like every streamer. Like, there's always one position that we like, we want more points, baby, and shit reverses. Muhammad doesn't say nothing about it. He just lets us do it.
The DuckTales, there we go. Woo! Yeah.
But the Discord is only about $39. It is $39. It's great value. Our goal is basically to build the community. We're not trying to get rich off y'all guys. We just want to build a community. We want to trade. We're traders. We're going to continue to trade. But we also want to provide value to the community. Like, we mean this shit. Like, I mean it.
Yeah, I want to see y'all. I want to see y'all chart setups and shoot. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's our goal. If you help us complete our goal, we'll do this together. Get some real trading, real education. We can talk about things. Talk about, the 12 step. So like in the Discord, I had it set up to where obviously the general chat is basically a general Discord. Obviously, it has their general chat, stuff like that, wins, losses. You can talk about if you went on tilt, why you went on tilt.
Which I'm about to put in.
If you want us to look at a chart, we can look at a chart and tell you about it. For the newer traders, the less experienced traders that want, more somebody else's opinion, because we don't want you to follow our trades. We want you to be a good trader yourself.
Yeah, read that market. Read them charts.
Let's set up these prop firms to take their money. Let's take their money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And post your wins. And then, of course, like I said before, me and Smith are going to post our charts. We're going to post our analysis. We're going to post economic data. I really want this to be a one, just like Elon Musk. Everything Discord. It's not over the top. We're not going to talk about crypto and forex, so never mind. Well, I guess there'll be a chat for that.
Yeah, we can have a section for that.
Anybody's going to be talking about that stuff since we're talking futures.
We
got one like that.
Yeah, we could throw in a chat for that, but because I follow I follow Bitcoin at least and Ethereum, but that's really about it.
Yeah, so
I'm posting
like I said,
I'm posting my L right now in there. I just took the screenshot. I'm posting in there right now under the DGen bets.
No, that's just a DGen bet. The 12-step program or the 12-step program, I think. Is for the losses.
Oh, I gotta
12-step.
Oh, my bad. I need a 12-step program. I need a sponsor. I need a sponsor right now.
Yeah, so the 12-step is for, you need somebody like, yeah, this is what happened. I had a bad day. I didn't take my profits, and it completely reversed on me. I already posted mine on there. I posted mine. But all right, guys, if y'all, like I said, y'all enjoy the stream, y'all appreciate the value that we provide. Just join us in the Discord. We'll do more. We'll share the levels with the Discord members. We'll do a pre-market game plan, seeing the price action in the pre-market, what to look for, stuff like that. And if experienced traders, you just want to join, support the channel, just join.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yeah, get that
just join.
Subscribe.
It's great value. Join.
Yeah, hit that like button, baby, because we gonna be back again Monday. You know what?
Yep.
Nah, I'm not gonna tell my little. I might just go in pre-market and stay up 15, 20 hours, but we'll see. Depending on how it's looking, we'll see. We'll see. Because this is crazy.
You don't want to miss it.
Yeah, I don't want to miss it. We'll see. But yeah.
Yeah.
But all right, y'all.
Set a limit and go to sleep.
Yeah. Like I said, it is Super Bowl weekend.
It is Super Bowl weekend, isn't it?
But yeah, have a great weekend. Y'all stay green if you're still gonna trade this. And go follow all our links and socials and hit us up. All right. Appreciate y'all as always for joining us. And like I said, as always, peace. Have a good weekend. And we out here.
And this shit